Please click the thumbs up, like, and subscribe, and the bell notification. Thank you. Please click the thumbs up, like, and subscribe, and the bell notification. Thank you.
Ragashanti live. Ragashanti.
Well, let me start it over. All right, let's go. Let's go.
Ragashanti live. Ragashanti.
It's Friday.
Ready.
I need some An Blenda time. I'm want to call and talk of the King's Day.
That's the reason I'm going with him, because I see the boy out there to get up here with the same Raga.
Well, the boy have you and the girl have here with the same red rock.
Yes. Raga.
Yeah.
This is the girl with the next side of story about the red Raga. Then people that look at me and say you're Haganiering because the way we are.
Yo, that word them mad. Aganeering. Aganeering to the flipping world.
Hi. Ragashanti, I did mix up daddy. Hallelujah. Ragashanti go on and on. Yes, Ragashanti. Do you know how Richie feelings this, right? And you know me have to listen to your program because you talk
Let's
about
go!
things with scandal side of it.
It's Friday. Here we go now.
I need some An Blenda time.
It's Friday. It's Friday. Come now, people. Ready up now.
An Blenda time.
Ready up. Ready up now. Jackers, big up yourself. Christina Brown Sugar, large up. Ready up now. Lego. Boy, oh boy. Yo, some people get left in a man. Some people get left and it's not my fault. Some people get left. Listen to me now, man. Yo, some people have a saying, you know, them say, yo, the boat, the sail already, you missed the boat, and thing. And some people say, yo, you missed the bus, you understand? And people usually use it like as a metaphor, a figure of speech, you know, a figurative expression, right? So it's not meant to be understood literally. You know what I say? But listen to me right, you know. The saying, you missed the boat. That one the literal, because, listen to me now, people. Monday me did mistakenly to come on and here and I could tell him about say Ray. On of us still go buy ticket for the big epic boat ride we are forward this Sunday. Nothing like it ever. Coming at the Jamaican Caribbean community this Sunday, man. This is one for the ages indeed. You hear me I say? Only for DJ right call me and say, Reggae, what you do? A boat ride sell out from last week. And Monday DJ ride tell me that, you know. Said the yacht ride. I want me to say boat ride. And a boat ride. I want yacht ride. DJ ride call and say, listen, yacht ride sell out from last week. Right? So enough people get left in the thing. Throughout the week, people are leave me and I say, yo, see you Sunday. So I say, you have your ticket. No, I'm going to buy my ticket. No, ticket done, you know. And when you tell me, say, Raga, me say ticket done. So, Raga, you can't get some ticket for me. No ticket done. When it come to them something, yeah, the number is set and specific. It's not one of them something that where you can squeeze in people and them something that no, and a sort of yacht something at work worse at over Manhattan, you know, over the side, and them people over the side. And when it comes to certain regulations, them no farm fool, them no cut corner, and all these things. So them no play. The number is exact. Further, DJ Ryan Chef Garfield gave the people them who them, you know, they warn them for the yacht and all them some their assurances that they will be adhering to the rules. And them now go farm fool and go and look at foolishness. So, and one of them something. And first of all, DJ Ryan don't ever stay so either. DJ Ryan, one of them man, they can't, you know, yo, where you going with? You can't do a thing for me. Him just not stay. Even if him try it, him not gonna look good. Him not gonna do it good. Him not gonna do it. DJ Ryan is a rules man, you know. He's a rule. One of the humblest man me know, and he's a rules man. Him just govern him thing, him follow the rules and thing. Discipline is how you can, you know, it's something where you can associate with a brother there. So him never go on the foolishness. Even if him did want to do it, him would do it good, right? So him just follow the rules. So people get left. Enough people vex. But you know what's a fool fault? It's fool fault. Because look for when the ticket them a sell. But Jamaicans, man, no found to have this thing, this last minute thing, and them sitting here and whatever, and ray. Listen to me, if I cut out that something that more while, man. You have some people now, me I go excuse them. Some people them get a blind. Some people get a blind. The woman them, who did I wait for the Bonaman money for buy the ticket and the money never come, who know we can't understand, right? We're not going to make the boat, we're not going to make the yacht right, but we understand if the money never forward, the money never forward. And that's just one of them things there, right? If I did wait for the Bonaman money and the Bonaman never send the money, it's not your fault. To the man them who did wait for the Bona woman money and she never send the money, it's not your fault. If I did your husband for buy the ticket and him drop the ball and all these things and whatever, it's not your fault. If I did your wife for buy the ticket and she drop the ball and all them something there, it's not your fault. If I your sugar daddy did for buy the ticket and he never forgot to buy the ticket, it's not your fault. If it's your sugar mommy did for buy the ticket, it's not your fault. So then people have an excuse. But the other one them who did have their money and think, I want to do that wait, I want to do that regular, traditional, last minute something there. And now, when I get left, you know what? Prezi, call a number here for me. Call a number here for me, because I'm going to show you, I'm going to know about preparation. I'm going to know about preparation. Prezi, call my sister in there for me, Stacy, call Stacy for me. Bad girl Stacy, you know? Oh, Stacy, are real good as around here. I'm showing about preparation. And sitting and whatever. I am so excited about this yacht ride coming up this Sunday, people. It's all about Chef Garfield and DJ Roy. I bring it that one here. Listen to me, man. It's called Cornucopia Majesty. That's the name of the yacht. And of course, on this Sunday, and the yacht leaves at 5 p.m. sharp in celebration of 60 years of Jamaica's independence and also celebrating Genesis One restaurants. We have to use the possessive S there, the S being possessive of the term celebration. Genesis One's restaurants, Genesis One restaurants anniversary. Call Stacey there for me. Bring in Stacey there for me, President. Bring. I'm showing about preparation. Hello? Stacey?
Hello?
Stacey, you're on here, so don't say nothing where you know to say about your business here. All right. No, because more time when me and Reezy, you just fling out something and say, dirty ragga, ray. So I just make you know you're upon the people, them radio, the whole of New York.
Wait,
hear.
what?
Yeah, Canada hear you, New York, the whole of Jamaica hear you upon the bridge, 99 FM and thing or whatever. Stacey good as wagwan, my friend.
Not a thing, what was?
Okay, first question. You be it from morning. Just curious. If you not be it, just tell the truth and done. If you not be it from morning, tell the truth. You be it?
That is a must, of course.
Yes, you don't tell lie. But I know nothing wrong if you not be it yet. I wouldn't say you may be it tonight. So if you not be it from morning, I know nothing.
We'll be here.
You be it? What the name of your soap where you use? What the name of the soap where you use?
What? I don't even know.
You see it, you never be it.
So,
You never be it. That's how we catch you. That's how we catch you all the way. Every woman know the name of them soap. Every woman know the name of them soap.
No.
Every woman know the name of them soap.
No.
Listen to me. What? Here I go.
A friend of mine just came back from Dublin, and she bought it back for me. She went to Ireland the other day, and she bring back a soap for me.
She went to where?
Ireland.
No.
Dublin. She was in Dublin.
No. Stacey, I like you, that's why you're my sister. That's so you done, boy, I saw you done, boy, I saw when dirty, nasty ragga, stay bad ragga, come and pass in place, I saw you done, boy, when dirty, nasty ragga talk about Stacey, you don't know your soap and whatever, this and that. And when you do goody just say, no, ragga, you have to understand, a friend of mine, she just came back from Dublin. I don't quite know the name of the soap, but I know it's from Dublin. It's from Dublin. She went to Ireland and she brought it back from Dublin. That's exactly the soap I showered with today. If you really want me to go and look for it, I'll go and look for it for you. But the only reason why I don't know the name, it just came from Dublin, okay? What's wrong with you, young man? I saw you done, boy. I saw you done, boy, when boy you part. Stacey, last week, me call you. I'm just a yell you about certain thing or whatever. And thing, I say, be nice around you, man. And where you there? And what you said to me? When me say me call you, Stacey, last week, no. And when the nice around you, I ask you where you there. What you tell me, Stacey?
Nail shop, I do my nails.
You say you're there a nail shop, I do your nails. And what you say right after, you tell me say you're there a nail shop. What you tell me why you do your nails?
Come after the find about there, yacht anything. Nah, miss me.
And right away, me say to you, because as a man, me not really some of the ladies thing them. So me I said, then see, you do your nails, some now for the yacht ride next week Sunday, and thing, and right away you just going and say, I want me to rug me on my ticket, them and now people, you swear me I telling about preparation. Stacey in a ramp with that something there, Stacey in a play with that something there. But Stacey, any event me keep, you always come with all 15, 20 people and them something. How much I want to come pan DJ ride, boat ride, Yacht ride.
18
people when Stacey are rolling, Stacey, first of all, Stacey have a crew of Connecticut. Them jive come down for anything Ragashanti keep, right? And from me say TamFam and Ragashanti, I done 20 odd people Stacey. So 18 I want to pan it down, don't it? This Sunday. Yes.
Yep. From Syracuse straight. I'm coming for that one, yeah.
From Syracuse, upstate New York, Syracuse. And I wish part of you have a place in a Connecticut where you always bring with you all of your friends them and things. I wish part that. I wish part of Connecticut.
Bridgeport, all over, Danbury, wherever. They coming from all over.
18 people sound excited about it this Sunday, don't
you? Could have asked that? Of course. No, but don't even want yet. I hear just some of them now as we speak. What you say?
Well, you do hear this for early, because you know, do that last minute something there and the bleach all night, Saturday night, something there, Okay. Listen to me, at the talk of the street out there right now, At the talk of the street out there right and everybody talk about it, But no people face crush up on Bex because them late, them not get no ticket. Yeah. Them not get no ticket, but somebody like you know, you say, be proactive. You say, preparation. You said the early bird catch the worm. You get more than the worm, right? You know, you understand? I think, Stacey, I am excited about it to myself. Yeah. But is there anything about it that it kind of raised your curiosity and say, no, sir, this sound big? Like you know, well, the 5 floors, somebody catch me. I not lie. The 5 floors are, you know, me I say, wait, 5 floor? Me never go on like a boat ride yet, you know, a Jamaican Caribbean boat ride with 5. A yacht with 5 floor, whatever. But what did intrigue you about it, you know? Now, first of all, I know you love big people something. You know, really love the, you know, jeans drop off down at your ankle type of thing and them foolish. But what did intrigue you about it?
Just the whole experience, like, you know, the old Jamaican, this for like the whole, this thing about the boat, the yacht, or whatever. You know, we all go on, you know, these boat rides. Brooklyn, Terminal, Paddleweed over there, so from, over there, Queenston, all boat, but we want to try the Manhattan one here and see how it go.
Yeah.
You know? We want that look of experience there, that nice something there.
Yeah.
Well, when time we battles come out, we can do, the whole thing, the whole work. Yeah, the trainer pass. What is?
Yeah, that look a classy something there. That you did trainer pass. Oh, that mean you there your yard, cause trainer then your yard, you're there somewhere else. Oh yeah, you this hairdresser, you're there fast. Me that fast in your business right now. Fast, me that fast in your business right now. No, but that whole kind of sophisticated, classy thing, there, but at the same time with a Jamaican flavor, you know, leaving from Manhattan, on a yacht, 5 floors, a dancing and thing and whatever. You say, boy, you really want experience or something there, don't it?
Exactly.
Well, myself at all. I have gone, me no young bud, right? So me there whole long. So I have gone on thousands of boat ride, right? From what the brother did name again, who was the first boat ride down at Jamaica from down at Port Royal. A long time, some of that in the show, like me I go up on boat ride. The first get-up boat ride, when him name there, I forgot what him did name, and him bus it and thing. I remember one time at Jamaica boat ride, it just run the place. Everything I leave from down at Port Royal Street, down at Craft Market. Until them bring it up here and Jamaicans come in at the thing and whatever and ray. So I have been on thousands of boat rides, all over the world too. But I've never been on one that leave from Manhattan. I have never been on one upon them big yacht. And, you know, of course, I go on cruise and all them something. But I've never gone on something where them a play our music and our vibes. And you know, so from a DJ Rai, something to, you know the music where me and you love. You know, we not really in that some of the, you know, respect to the youth, them who do them thing, but you know, say some of them something enough for we. So we like that look a classy something there, but still have it just a retain the Jamaican character, the Caribbean character, and whatever, where we can have fun and have, you know, nice, mature fun and still jiggy and energetic and thing, which is, you know, a road international DJ Roy flavor. I'm so looking forward to that and thing and whatever. I mean, know that I hear things. So big up your friend, them and thing. You have, you roll out in something new or you old clothes here? Me just ask about a customer. Me just
New, of course.
What?
Straight Burberry.
What you say straight Burberry? What you?
Yes, we're outside. I want you to have nothing normal about the boat that comes Sunday. Where you stay?
Hold on. A look good thing you go with like proper dress because me know you dress how you want dress, you know, because from a DJ writing, even though
nice and cool and casual.
Nice and cool and casual.
Yeah, because we want to enjoy ourselves, you know.
Yeah.
We are dance to the music, them.
Yeah.
You understand?
I don't want to feel stiff up in and go down and can't wine and go down when the spice song play and say wine and go down, you know, want stiff up. You want can do your thing because one thing with your Stacey, you can't dance. Because if it pop down, would I tell you, but you can't dance. Me not lie, you can't dance. So I say Burberry, I do it down.
Straight
Burberry. But you see, since you do your nail from last week, I know how you feel now here. I say, since you're the people in Bossy Radio talk about Burberry and whatever, me, I go examine you from head to foot when you go over there. I tell you from now, Because Ragashanti are host the thing, you know. Ragashanti are one of the hosts. So me I got examine the try don't pop down anywhere upon you. Hey, listen to me now, man. Me and your friend, you know, but don't pop down anywhere upon the car. Me I go whisper and tell you. Me I go tell you, say, Stacey, you look good, you know. But your foot back don't steer good. Hey, anywhere upon you pop down, me I tell you. Anywhere upon you pop down, me I go tell you, Stacey. Cause what's like I'm excited about that one here. Listen to me now, man. Anyway, my friend, big up yourself. You know, looking forward to see you there on Sunday, okay?
Yes, come on, guys. Come on. It's going to be good.
Wait,
This one is going to be epic.
Where you tell them come out for like, say, them can't buy no ticket. Who no buy a ticket yet get left? Who no buy a ticket yet get left? Yeah.
So big. Ask.
No,
call Roy. Call somebody.
Where you say call Roy and call somebody. No, Stacey.
Yeah.
I know that some of there, you know. I know that some of there where you can poke in 10 more, you know. Them strict over there. No, man, them strict over there. Then that me did that tell the people them for a long time, but some people just blow off a thing. And this week now, then Raga, look how long me know you and think you can't talk to Roy for me. Talk to what? Roy not have no control over that part there. Well, at least what they must know is a every year thing. Chef Garfield and Roy tell me personally, say it's a every year thing. So, me would advise DJ Roy and Chef Garfield to start selling ticket them Panda one for next year. Exactly. Well, you know, see that them up and welcome to Jam Rock, right?
Oh, yeah?
Yeah, exactly. Man, when you're on the cruise, you know, if let's say you're on the cruise in 2022, when you're on it, they must sell ticket for 2023, you know. No, me like them something that is business, them serious about the thing. Yeah, I would advise DJ Roy to give that some consideration because one thing you can know, if anything happen and you're not, and it don't go on, you know, so insurance company love to say act of God, as in some unforeseen circumstances that came about that, you know, doesn't permit, you know, or let's say like we have pandemic number 2 or something like that, you know, it's a DJ Roy, you give back your money. Him not take away your money, right? DJ Roy not thief your money. So that, now I'm going to advise him to sell a ticket on a boat rider for next year from now. Yeah, you understand? Do some form of reservation and thing because, so, you know, all of them people who never get for buying a ticket for that one year and thing, them have to go and line up them things for next year and thing and whatever. But me know 2 women, you know, them Bonner man did for buy them ticket and the Bonner man them each with the ticket, you know, and so them get drop out, I think, because that's why you have to be careful what kind of Bonner man you pick up, you know. If you're going to pick up a Bonner man, pick up a man with ready cash. You have to pick up like an ATM Bonner man. When you go there, your money just spit out. You understand? You can't pick up no Bonner man where you go to them. They might tell you, so like, can you get a bank check? No. You want to put in your code and then the money spit out. And them Bonner man there you forget. You understand? So the two of them, I tell them, say, for them fat, the wrong Bonner man them have. The wrong Bonner man them have. And since the Bonner man them drop the ball, me tell them to them for ban the Bonner man. 4 months and no sort out and all these things or whatever. Anyway, before you go, Stacey, one last thing may I ask you. Tell me something where you do back in the day, but I'll know your mother or your best friend no know say you do it. You know me always have these little secret things. But tell me something where you do back in the day. Where I'll know your mother or your father no know say you do it, or your friend them back in the day no know say you do it. Tell me something like. And I know I'm putting you on the spot.
You know, okay. Yeah, you know, I really can't think, like, I've always been that girl, Rob. I'm an only child, so, no, I don't ever hide nothing from my parents.
You never?
No.
Stacey.
No.
Stacey. Stacey, don't come clown me out and tell me. Stacey, there must, all I will do something where I know, we might not know or whatever. Stacey. Stacey.
Yes.
When me did young, I go country, Mile Gully, St. Mary. Did have one girl up on one hill across somewhere my people them live where me they like and thing, one man. And one night me go up there, we go try talk to a girl and thing and whatever and ray. And her father run me down with machete and nearly chop me up. And me run go down the hill and I drop when me I go down the hill and thing and roll the left and go up on me. And my mother did ask me like, where you did there and whatever. And me tell her, I come from up on Peggy and me drop and whatever. That is something. So tell me something what you do. Tell me something what you do, man. Tell me something what you do. Like, you never thief out dumpling out a pot yet Are you?
No. I snuck in my boyfriend in
Yeah.
the house when he wasn't supposed to be there. I was living in the Bronx,
Yeah.
and him have to jump from the second floor and go down.
Yes. Hold on there. You did sneaky. You boy, you look a boyfriend. How old? You see what I tell you? How old were you at them time? How old them time? How old you were?
I was a senior in high school, so I was probably like 17.
Yeah.
And I snuck in my boyfriend.
Yeah. And
And
then
I couldn't go back out through the front door, so I have to go through the window.
he might go through the window from the second floor.
He jumped from the second floor, yeah.
Ah.
He jumped from the second floor down.
Jesus have mercy. Listen to me, man. I like it. And them seven them you talk about. And them seven them you talk. And him never pop him cloud door. Him never pop him cloud door. No.
No, he didn't.
Stacey, you're my friend, so I not pass my place with you and whatever, you know. But even at 17, and thing you see true, you're good as and you look good, girl. Me know say it must worth it. And thing it must worth it. You are one of them woman there, even from the guitar and thing from them time there. A boy, if he knows, say, jumping 2 floors down and risking him life, almost popping clot or whatever. It's worth it for good as Stacey. And I know your mother don't know so that did go down. Though, at them something them here talk about. Big up yourself, my friend. Because from foundation, you're sneaking, you're good man. All right, now I'm going to say something to you, but me know why you vex, here.
Oh, my God.
Yeah, all right. Yeah, I'm going to put your business out there. I just say something to you, yeah? All right.
Mm-hmm.
So I remember one time, me and you roll a reasoning and thing, and I say, Stacey, a young people that, you know, I saw them stay, you know, and with all due respect, Stacey, that mile to what probably you did used to do when you're young, the seat, the number did wrong, I'm right. Yo, you know what we're talking about now? You know what we're talking about now? Isn't it so interesting that enough of them people here, when them get old and them pick me and give them hell, them a chat about them a pick me nowadays, and them a pick me nowadays. And if them ever stop and think about where them used to go on with them, I say, but all the same though, when you really think about it, doing or something, they turn them age to nobody could chat to me neither, and whatever. You see what me I tell you though? You see what me I tell you though? You know what them say? The apple not fall far from the tree, no?
Exactly.
Anyway, Stacey, big up yourself, you know, go and do your ear, you know, because Sunday are not nothing normal. All the water, listen to me, the way the party I go and good panda yacht, yeah. The water I go and jump off of the land where it depend and come up in at the boat, you understand? And that's how the something. Big up yourself, here.
All right, bye.
Yeah, man, I heal up your boss to me too, here.
Let's say a word.
All right, man, protection. People, this
right,
Sunday are not normal again, so me I tell you from now, the ticket them done on no vex. But again, this is on just line up on yourself for next year, because next year the thing I go turn up even more until me sure say DJ Rai and Chef Garfield I go go on them something them. So to all of who are bother me for ticket and all them something there. First of all, me not sell the ticket them, so I don't know bother me for. I understand how say boy, then you know DJ Rai, the IrieJam or whatever, understood. But I just want to make it clear, publicly clear. I do not have any inside angle for getting any extra ticket for anybody. The ticket them sell off from last week. And as far as I was informed, neither does DJ Roy has any flexibility in that regard. So for those of you who have not yet secured your ticket, and it has become, shall we say, absent, you being able to secure a ticket from somebody who has already bought tickets, it is quite likely that it's next to impossible for you to be on this yacht ride if you have not yet secured your tickets. But don't despair. We all learn from our mistakes and things, and we have the opportunity to adapt accordingly. So I would like to suggest to you, respectfully, that you just make this be a little learning thing for you, and then by next year you will be better prepared. You would have learned from your mistakes, and you will adjust accordingly, and you would make sure that you secure your tickets next year for this annual event, okay? So we're going to take a break and we'll forward and thing. You don't know the thing going to call him about anything you want to call him about anything you want to call him about. This is a Mixup entertainment show and all these things. But at the same time, we have a little running topic on you can play with and thing where you can call in and tell with something where you do in the past. Where I'll know your mother or your father don't know say you do it, or I'll know your friend them don't know say you did do it. Again, when we forward, we want you to call in and tell with something. Jamaica! You know I said no found on go out with one bag of something back in the day. You must call in and tell with something what you do in the past. Where I know your mother don't know say you do it. I know your father don't know say you do it. And I know your friend them don't know say you do it. Papa Jesus backside you know. Let's tell me we're going to look a break with so forward.
From Flatbridge to the George Washington Bridge. From the top of the Empire State Building to the Blue Mountain Peak. From the Grill Point to Morant Point to Brooklyn, Bronx, Queens, Manhattan, New York City. It's IrieJam.
Ragashanti live. Ragashanti live. Ragashanti live.
Back in the juggling, people. Back in the juggling. Back in. Hey. You have the national pledge and thing, and we just hear bro got a big up for this for an event that is essentially sponsored and being by the Jamaican consulate. We have to take care not to be mentioning to the most honorable PM of our country as bro God for this. You have to say the Prime Minister, okay? In other parlance, we have the liberty, the freedom. Hey, we live in a democracy here, and Jamaica is, despite all the problems we've had, we've never had a coup, we have never had a... We have always had a stable transfer of power. Hey, listen, that is one thing we have to really big up Jamaica for, the way you really think about it, Right? We really have to big up Jamaica for them look or something. They want to know it, Jamaica got train line before the US. We had electricity before the US. All them look or something and whatever, right. But with all these problems that all these people have in all these countries and whatever, and we're not berating them in any way. But we're saying despite the turmoil that we have had in some of our elections, despite the plethora of accusations of improprieties and corruption in electioneering from both our parties. Well, at some point we have had a third party, WPJ and the like. But the main two parties, the Jamaica Labour Party and the People's National Party, we have never had problems with, transition of power from one administration to the next. And unfortunately for this country that we're in right here now, the United States of America, they now permanently have an, shall we say, an unattractive blotch on their history because, the people here pride themselves as, the epitome of democracy, the shining example of what democracy is, and they have had some an interesting event. Well, a series of events that led up to, what is now euphemistically referred to as the 1-6 insurrection, So in that regard, Jamaicans should be proud because we have never had anything like that. No matter how we cuss and go on and carry on and whatever, at the end of the day, when the actual transition of power is occurring, we don't have a history of any problems there. And if we did, who would have know about it? What is brother name again? I just admire him as a historian of all things Jamaican, particularly in the political arena. Mr. Burke. Which Burke? Michael Burke, I think his name is. Often writes articles in the Jamaica Observer or whatever. But I love reading what he writes and whatever because he writes with precision and authenticity And it's the type of thing where it's believable, particularly when he infuses his writing with anecdotal information that gives it credibility. I really like reading his stuff. I learn a lot from him in terms of, what occurred back in the day in a Jamaican thing. So we have a lot to be proud of. Put it that way, the thing. We have, we're quite colorful in our problems also, but needless to say, we're doing quite well. So, big of the people who have that 60th celebration dinner there, a year-to-year thing, and big 60. But people, a Ragashanti, so, you know, say, I miss a mix-up and thing, right? What year we living in right now? What year we in now? 2022, right? When we get independence, 1962. So that's why we are celebrating 60th year. People, Jamaica have issues related to sexuality, just like many other countries. And the gender that manifests their discomfort with certain things relating to sexuality more so than the other are men. Now, Jamaican men are notorious now when it comes to certain things to say, man, I say that. Jamaican men don't like to say number two. Them not play number two. Oh, no, know why, don't. Yeah. Jamaican men, them love for, one time I there at Devon House, I'm a peel one banana, I bite the banana, one youth run, come over and say, Ragga, don't do that. And I'm like, what? President, be serious, Imagine me buy my right banana, I go eat my right banana, and peel my right banana, And the juvenile run over and say, Ragga, don't do that, I rate you, man, don't do that. And I say, what? Ragga, real gangster, and bite banana them way. We broke banana and eat banana. I say, what you mean? No, Ragga, don't put up the banana in your mouth them way. President, one time I give a speech down at Craigtown, Dr. Clinton Hutton and I, when I was at the University of the West Indies as a lecturer. And we're giving a speech down when Patrick Robertson from Shocking Vibes invited us to talk to the young men them down there. And we are getting a talk and we are doing look, when it name the work down there and all these things and things. And one night time, we say, we are talking about what kind of career the youth them could have going and whatever. And think only for you one youth say, boy, Ragga, why must say Doc, them no come rock. Them say, Doc, why I don't want to turn the pilot, But you know them always in them foolishness, President. Me I try work it out and I say like, all right, what kind of foolishness? But me never pick it up. I mean, I'm like, you don't want to be a pilot? Why? And I'm like, no. So me I try work it out and I say, pilot. Why not the word pilot with them wouldn't like in terms of sexuality? Why not the word pilot? I couldn't pick it up. Someone just said, why you don't want to work? Why you don't want to be a pilot? President, know what the youth said to me. The president said, Doc, you don't know which part them man they work, man. Them man they work in a cockpit. Something they keep grassing men with the book. I said, type of foolishness. So when me I say, President, me and everybody right now, enough people I say, yo, we are celebrating the 60th, big up Jamaica upon the 60th. No. And now we're 2022, don't it, President? President, how do you ever manage when we reach 2031? President, work it out for a second. Like, and then when him get it that, if we're afraid of them look a number, they be him on a DJ and I say, oh, when him account him stop at 68, him now pass 68, because to pass 68, him have to go 69. How not going to manage when Jamaica celebrates 69 years and thing? How not going to shut them out, no? How probably going to do when the brother go tell him, look, a son for the one time, him son reach 2. He tell him son, what you go? So, if you say 2-year-old, I'm say, I go, if you say, how old are you? Me 3 minus 1. Type of foolish. How not going to manage when Jamaica reach 69? How not if you celebrate 69? We're not afraid to celebrate 69. I'm just asking. Anyway, people. The number is from Jamaica. It's 876-676-4996, 876-676-4996, 876-676-4996. Or if you're calling from the United States or Canada, the number is toll-free, of course, but, everybody hope you have unlimited phone plan, so it doesn't matter. The number is 888 546-8742-888. 546-8742-888. 546-8742. Call him about anything you want. Call him about send on a mix up any little thing you want to talk about. At the same time, we are say, what is something where you do in the past? Something significant where you do. We all know your mother and your father don't know say you do it. Or all know your friend them don't know say you do it. Or all know one of your good friend don't know say you do it. All right, in the meantime, give me a call, a press send on. Hello? Hello? Yes, caller.
Raga, good night, Raga.
Only God can tell you what go on.
Yeah, what go on? Yeah, you know some now one problem, yeah.
You know one problem, only God can tell you. What kind of problem you know, eh?
I have over there, so I'm bridging to me Thursday morning. About tell me something to call back the radio station.
One brethren see a Thursday morning and say you know for call back a radio station.
Mm-hmm.
So why?
I don't know me height.
Because you never know your height, no?
And I'm go to clean, go check it out and come back and tell you. So me talk the truth. Them don't like the truth.
Why you the talk the truth so you don't know your height, no?
Yeah, them go to clean, go check it out.
And you go a clinic, you go check out your height?
Yeah, I'll come back and tell you.
Right, because remember you tell me so the reason why you never know that.
Yeah.
Oi. What that with him phone? Them lock it up, no? Yeah, because him did I tell we say the reason why him never know him height at him not go hospital and airport. Oh, and them a beat him now, say him not for call back. He say, give me the next call, President. We are juggle. Hello. Greetings. Hello.
Hello.
Yeah.
Who is this?
Who you call?
Hey, listen. My name is I Want to Know.
Your name is what?
I want to know.
Listen to me, if a foolishness you call a wrong person, you call with the foolishness. That me I tell you, so deal with what you deal with right now, all right?
It's not no foolishness.
What you mean your name is I Want to Know?
Well, I want to know if you were undercover when you was in Jamaica.
If I was what?
If you were an undercover lover when you were in Jamaica.
If I was an undercover lover?
Yeah.
I don't know what you ask me, you know. So, come straight to the straight with that thing. Just say what you want to say.
So, you don't know what is... You're Jamaican, right?
Yes, I'm Jamaican, yeah.
So, you do not know when a person said to a man that he's an undercover lover. You do not know what that means?
No, I know what it means. It's an old school term. In fact, there was a play by the great Ralph Onis who did have the ghetto play if memory serves me correct. But when people are calling the show and I ask them something, they don't know what them are this, so I don't take the chance and me say, don't run it. So me just kick back right now and I figure out where you are right now. So me know what undercover lover mean, but nowadays we don't even know what is what. So say what you say.
Okay. Well, I know a lady, man, and the problem is this. She admire you, you know.
She admire me?
She said they admire you on the radio, yeah, and she's 31 years old.
And she's 31 years old?
Yes. And
Hold on. Let me just tell you from now. If you talk to a woman and, she know me, or she does admire... Hold on. She know me or she does know Ragashanti from the radio? Which one?
She wanna know you, man. I don't know. It's a mixed-up thing. You got to get information, man, and find out.
No, hold on. She wants to know me?
Yeah, you know, because she's saying that you seem to be a good man.
Oh, good. No, we can't talk. No, because Yo, let me tell you how right, you know. You know, remember, you call and ask me who is an undercover lover, see? And undercover lover is a synonymous term. One of the things with undercover lover is a synonymous term is a sneaky little boner man. So I don't know if I did somebody, a woman who you know, who me and her did in a things. If I come here, I come out with some business. so boom, me get boom me a while ago. Cause I don't know if I'm a business, I go fling out for it or whatever. Cause me ready for send her and cut off.
No, it's not.
Oh, okay. Me think. No, me thinking it book a woman who say, you know, say me and Raga did so. Me think I fling you out, come fling out my business, you know, about undercover lover. So I ready me and tell me to Reggae, say, Prezi, cut him off, quick, cut him off.
No. It's something you're gonna like, man.
It's something me I gonna like. Why?
Yeah. Listen.
Yeah.
She's about 31, right?
Yeah. What she do? She like me?
She's saying that.
She like me?
She said she never have sex. Listen. She said she have never have sex, but she would like to sex her. Would you sex her for me?
You ask me if me would sex this woman who you know. What? Here we go. There is certain things we can't to get in, but how much should I pay me?
No, listen to me, man. I'm asking you, would you sex her for me?
No, my here when I send a man, you know, here me ask you back a question or whatever. You know, see, 2022 right, you know. You know, here the woman them say, no free juju a send on right, you know. So here when I tell her right, you know, Mr. Man, if you go come on the radio with them talk, them why you know say, the man them a step up to them thing right, you know. No free body run here. No free body run here. So when I say, all right then. I'm just being silly.
So, but listen, man, seriously, would you sex her or not? That's what I'm asking you.
You know, so I'm not too want to engage in them conversation. I don't even know what is what right now, you know, because here what me I tell you now. You know, so what they made about 2 years ago, me I fill out a form for something, right? And under gender, a 15 different gender, I see them have, and then one space that if you say, if you don't see your gender, you can write it in. That means more than when we go online and check how many gender them say right now, you know, say about 50 gender out there. In other words, it thing not simple again, you know, and I just man-woman type of thing. So, right now, you have to be careful where you are running, you know, so me not commit to nothing, you know, so you see what I say?
Oh, well, real quick. Listen to this, real quick then, right?
Yeah.
What is, okay, I know he's an intelligent man. What is this, right?
Yeah.
No problem. What is this, right?
Yeah.
Say you got a woman, right?
Mm-hmm.
And you the man don't like oral sex, but she like oral sex.
Yeah.
Can both of them agree to say, okay, can I find you a man who would give you oral sex, and then I will be the man who sex you?
So, hold on. Are you saying that you don't want to give there's somebody who you're involved with who you
No. There's a man out there, he don't want to have oral sex. So, because the lady, he's not into oral sex business, but the lady would like to have oral sex, but they want some agreement to say, okay, can you want to find me a man who will give me oral sex, and you just sex me, and he will be the oral sex man.
No, here we go. There's actually, just so you know, I do some counseling too, and I don't know if you're familiar with me, but I've been doing this talk show thing for some time now. Also, I did a talk show called Out Order, which is a sex entertainment talk show. It's a thing for adults to just come and talk about matters relating to sex and culture that they do not have a platform to discuss otherwise and thing. And in doing that show, we have had multiple instances where people in relationship have that type of arrangement. However, I don't know if what you stay on the line. We have a break for 3 minutes, and you can't stay on the line, and we'll come back and finish this conversation in the next 3 minutes.
Yeah.
Okay, all right. Because I don't know if I say you want me for link because you think that me can't get oral sex.
Come, man, listen. I want you to give me all the good things about it, man.
About what? Oral sex. So why me I don't know about oral sex? Why you think
listen,
me? All right. Stewart, when you come back, me tell you what me read. Because me read about enough of them sometimes. So when I take a break, when me come back, me tell you what we read. We're so forward. Stay on the line. We're so forward. Why yo?
Ragashanti live. Ragashanti live. Ragashanti live.
Back in the juggling, Ragashanti live in our ears. We say energy, we say the thing up and whatever. Yo, President, we still have the caller there. Yes,
yeah, man, I'm here.
Yes, so caller, yeah, I could juggle quick up on Friday. You don't know, so what if people are calling? So what exactly is it you say you want to know?
If he can be the man that sex, and then the other guy do the oral sex.
Well, all right, here's my answer to you. There are quite a few people out there who have some, shall we say, unconventional arrangements in their relationship, right? For example, I spoke to a caller once who said she and her gentleman is okay and whatever, but he wants her to engage in, well, the Boise term for it is fellatio. In a ghetto, we just say headers. And, him want her to do it. She says she not do it, so she knows say him go outside and she know who him get it from and she's okay with that. You also have situations where nowadays you have women who have men who is just that they make the man do and nothing else. The man just service them that way and nothing else. You have men out there who are incapable of, the colloquial term in the street, him can't waist up, so him face up. And because him can't waist up, him allow the person who is with to go get the waisting up from somebody else while he does what he can do only, which is face up. So you have different configurations of these things in these modern day relationships. So that is not unusual. For a lot of people listening right now who are not as exposed to what is going on out there in the world, they will be a little bit shocked and whatever because they're used to, the conventional, traditional stead, as in STAID stead, kind of one-dimensional type of thing. But there's great variation out there now when it comes to those things. It's actually not uncommon. It is fairly common.
I see. So okay now. So back to the lady that has never been sexed. So you're saying if the money is right, you will sex her for me.
I'm just doing radio. I'm being entertaining, So I don't know if you're serious or whatever. I'm just being, I'm not a gigolo, just so you know. I am not a gigolo. I am just, what people colloquially refer to as a shock jock. I'm an entertainer. I'm an edgy person who just say things where other people afraid for say and whatever. But I don't think I'm the person you want to consult for that. I can recommend 2 people to you, though.
But she has never been sex before. That's what I'm saying.
No. Okay, if you want 2 men who you want to pay for them to to service her, I am recommending DJ Oxtail or Jabba. DJ Oxtail or Jabba. Ask them and think. And perhaps Dubmaster Chris, but I'll have to check in with Dubby and think to see if he's still doing any gigolo activity. I don't know if he's still doing. I know back in the day he was actively engaged in this. And there's also a TamFam, we know that is what he does, right? We call him Lammy Rasta Boy. He's on the internet. Lammy Rasta Boy, right? He's a very accomplished gigolo, very good. He has very impressive credentials. His expertise is highly regarded, and he has been sent for in Canada, sent for in Jamaica, in other states and whatever. But if you go on the internet and look for Lammy Rasta Boy, okay, he's a very accomplished gigolo. Actively sells his instrument, and he does really well in that regard. But I would not be the person for that. I just talk a whole lot of junk on the radio, but I'm a darling little munchkin, an innocent little laddie boy right here. Me can manage them something. I am not that guy. So
so you're saying then, those people who you referred me to, their expertise in sexing a woman who has never been sexed before. Is that what you're saying?
No, I'm saying that they sell themselves. DJ Oxtail and Jabba, they sell themselves, And Jabba is brooking in his protege in it. What Jabba select her name again? Eh? No. Yeah, you might broke in Calibi night too. So Calibi, you probably can call Calibi too and whatever. I'm just saying Raga is not that guy. Raga is not that guy, all right? I am an innocent person. If you see me, you're going to see a halo over my head and whatever, which clearly designates that I'm a saint. And despite my outrageous utterings, I am a saint. I'm a darling, innocent little munchkin. In fact, many of the TamFamers, such as Adri over there in Jersey, Tina down there in Florida, Missy in Atlanta, they call me Raga with the innocent mouth. Okay?
Okay.
So I am not that person.
So what you're saying then?
What?
So what you're saying then?
Yeah.
So what you're saying then?
Yeah.
You're the kind of guy who don't sex a lot.
You know, say you ask for too much question. Listen to me, you need to go drink some lemonade. I go and take some other call and thing or whatever. Yeah, let me talk to you one other time. Yeah.
Care,
all right, sir. Good night,
sir. Sir.
Yeah, take care.
Right.
That man is a troublemaker. Oh, God. That man is a troublemaker, you know, man. Hey, you see if I go on in foolishness, I take time, I go around and try to draw me out, you know. Listen to me, man. Yo, I am not the gigolo. They don't pay me no mind. I run up my mouth and I go out with one bag of antics. You understand? Me can't do it. If you want a gigolo, check people like Prezi. Prezi is that type of person. You know, Prezi sells his body and things like that. Jabba, Oxtail. Stretch still do it, Prezi. Stretch is still a gigolo. Stretch from Road International. Is he still a gigolo? No? Okay, all right. You have to check them people. You can't. I'm an innocent little laddie boy, right? Miss Cherry Washbelly is thing and whatever. Me no broke out yet. Me no broke out yet. Yeah. I get when name part up a VP. When name Ed what? When name again? Ed man. When name man? What? What? Tell me. Yeah, them have to check him, man. Yeah, what name, Yeah, what right name? Edward, man. Yeah, you have to check. Edwin. Don't forget him. Yeah. We have to check Edwin from VP too. You know, them Eastern Caribbean people are them something that them broke out and them something that you don't know what I mean. Me are boring. I don't know what I mean. Me are boring. My start out boring. I be a talk and chat one bag of something and thing. You know want somebody who can sell down the thing and whatever. You know want the man them want sell themselves long time and have them experience. The DJ Oxtail are one of them there, right? You see your Oxtail car nice. Want to think him have to work for that, you know. I don't even know how much nights Oxtail put in out there, whatever this and that. This selector thing where him have with Road International, that's just a facade. That is just a facade, right? When you see Jabba out there, you know, I do, you know, Love and Harmony Cruise and all them something there, and I keep Jabba strike back. Those are just a facade. Jabba's real job is, he's a gigolo. Jabba sells himself to the ladies. You understand? Okay? Not Ragashanti. Okay. All right. Give me a call. Hello. Greetings. Hello.
Hello, Raga.
Yeah, good night. Wagwan.
You don't know you do. You all right, though. Raga with the innocent mouth.
Bra. Them for no, dog. Tell them again, yeah. Raga with the innocent mouth.
Don't make them put it up.
Hold on. Your fan are blowing on your phone, you know. Hold on. Your last fan are blowing. Hold on, man. Your last fan are blowing on the phone, you know. So move her from it.
It stop blow now?
Hey, well, I don't know what blowing, you know. I don't know who blow who. I just tell you, say the fan.
Raga.
Eh?
You know. Tell a man you see that up in the corner of the bed there. I tell him I have to talk to you tonight.
Yeah, talk to me, yeah.
Raga, him go today, go drink rum.
Mm-hmm.
Him very tipsy. Me go listen to Raga. Him a turn down radio and I want me listen to Raga tonight. Me say I go and make Raga done it. Oh, you don't want me listen to Raga? No, only for hear me like a munchkin Raga.
Yeah.
With the innocent mouth. Him a come fight with them.
Yeah, wait, man, say him now want you listen to me.
No, look, so a fight down, just listen to Raga.
Oh, hold on. What you say? Him drink look a rum and thing, don't?
Yes, Raga, well, tipsy asking him teeth.
But when me ask you though, since him beat lick like the rum there and thing and whatever, so him under him pelico right now. So when me answer, I charge up and ready for go on with the something of them, don't?
Yeah, him can't find him things some night. Him a look feet out, can't find it.
Yo, no, you don't know what I say. Me know how you feel now we are still, but that sound like something we not get involved in, because listen to me, you have the bro code, just like how woman have the girl code and the woman code. We have the bro code, so I have to look out for the general, so if it's general, I don't even know what the pre-write, so you don't know Raga going to defend you and back you, don't you? Because you don't know you're the family member and all it.
Me Raga deal with him case. I want Raga done it for me.
No, I can't done it general, no. I can't done it.
I can't listen to my Raga in the night, yeah.
No,
if you leave me in peace.
No, well, no, you and him for go work out that part. Let me tell you something. You know, say one woman from Trelawny one time linked me and thing and she say, Raga, you know, say my man no like you and whatever and him ever burn you out and thing and him no want me listen. So I say, eh? And she say, yeah, him ever fight against you and whatever. And she say, what you think? Him not for long me make me listen to you. So me I be careful now, hear me now. No? Well, yeah, I can't work out to the thing, but if you want to just listen to show and thing, I know nothing and whatever. So I said, no, him not like and whatever and this and you know what say me and him fight, Raga. So I said, what you want him fight for? But for listen you, so I said, what happened? She said, big fight and it end up with stab up and all them something. So I said, weird, but that sounds serious, man. She said, yeah. So I said, well on, then the fight on the end, stabbing up going and all them something that because you want to listen to me and him now. She said, yeah, Raga, don't him wrong. So me now go say, well, yeah, that sound like a little stretch still and whatever, I think if we reach here, she, because them time I showed it in the morning, it was 9 to 12 when we did over news talk. So here she, because him a bother me when him know say me I listen you. So if me work out a thing when me can't listen you and him get what him want, him not should have cool with that. Me say, what you mean? She said, we there do with thing and whatever, and Ray and him a do with thing, and then him kind of lean over. And she said, me have one of the earphone in my ears and listen to you.
Raga, that one there dead with laugh. Good night, Raga.
No, well, man, as some said to me, I said, B, me not go support the violence against you, but you know, so you really should not do that. You can't start out with your man and listen to Ragashanti at the same time. That's not right.
Oh, gosh.
Yo, me general, let me talk to the boss.
Raga said, say good night to him.
Yo, boss, you want to go?
Night.
Yeah, you say everything good. You under some whites right now, no?
Earlier on.
So what you say? So what? No, me ask you straight. You charge up for put one panel right now?
You better believe.
And she want to listen to Ragashanti. Are you ready for pressure, no?
Ready long time. But she hold out.
She hold out.
I said we should go drink it.
But yeah, what I'm going to say to you now, me can't get involved with that part there, If I want thing, I know my limits and thing, I know certain line, I know for cross, so I have to go work out that something there, yeah? But yeah, what I say, from one general to a next general, me understand the thing right now, so I just want you color and deal with what you have to deal with. You understand what I say? Represent for the thing. All right?
Yes, boss.
All right, so big up yourself here, sir.
Yeah, bless up.
Yeah, respect and honor. Goodie?
Yeah, Raga.
Yeah, I know why I feel so I sell you out or anything, but them levels, I have to leave that alone. Bro code. I have to respect it, general. All right, big up.
Yeah, man. All right, take care.
Yeah, man, love and blessings, man. Cool.
All right, Raga.
Yo, people, you see all a couple, are them type of people I like. You see how them lively and them jiggy and them understand the flavor of the thing, And them just call in and the general just cool and him just, He bust him talk and she bust her talk, and we know the joke and the entertainment with the thing. And that's what the thing there, right? Somehow they want to too serious and all certain thing and all and make certain assumption and I manifest some insecurity and thing and whatever and I walk around with one bag of stress and all them something there. And if you take all, and if you like, replicate the thing from all a couple just now and thing, and use them as inspiration. Listen to me, man. Laugh and enjoy on yourself, man. Not care how much stress and problem reach you and thing, just know, say, and if you left some space for humor, right? And about to play the bossy people in the mind who believe, say, radio is just for serious discourse, and I use them code, but what is uplifting about it and all. Make them move them look at dirty nastiness and go, because you ever hear what go on in a for them life, it don't stay good. Them life don't stay good. Them life coming like some dirty bathroom and us cover a long time. Yeah, see the white, but be a black mark upon it same way. Anyway, give me a call. Hello. Hello. Greetings.
Yeah, man.
Yeah.
Oh, God.
Yeah, man, there you know.
Yes, I.
Yeah.
Raga.
Yeah.
That little lady they want call, but you call her cute.
Yeah, Ilian too cute, yeah.
Yeah. Every time me hear her, man, it make me feel like me now on gym, man.
It make you
feel... body feel like me in a gym.
When Ilian too cute call, she make your body feel like you're in a gym, don't?
Yeah.
What are they? Tambourine! Hey! What you say? Well, on, you attack Ilian too cute or Tina too cute?
No, man, Ilian. Cute.
Well, on, man, Ilian. Remember, say you have Tina too cute from Florida, you know. You have Ilian too cute, you know.
No. The one in Jamaica I'm talking about.
The one in Jamaica you talk about. Okay, right. And I want, so when you say when you hear she talk, what happened?
I was listening around Monday night.
Yeah.
Wednesday night.
Yeah.
She talking about the kissing.
Yeah, about the kissing thing when she did that talk. Yeah, Wednesday, don't.
Yeah, man. She bring me back to something, man.
Oh, she bring you back to something. So you did a feel a vibe when you listen to her, don't?
Yeah, man, lie down in my bed, man. I come feel like me now want gym and me a pump up, you know.
You just a... Well, on. What you say? When she talk, she make all part of your body a pump up, don't?
Yeah. I like her.
Listen to me now, man. The way she talk and her vibes and thing, you like her, don't?
Yeah, man, she vibes a bit. She have vibes.
She have vibes, don't? She sound sexy, don't?
Yeah, man.
She sound sexy, don't?
She voltage.
She Yo, you have some girl hype and say them a hot girl and no man never look on them and say, my girl, your voltage.
Yeah.
Yo, when you say she voltage, don't?
Yeah, man.
Maddie.
She bring me back to something, man.
She bring...
I lose that person.
Hold on, she bring... What she bring you back to? What she bring you back to?
She give me, she bring me back to lots of memory, you know?
Lots of memories, some it sound like some exciting memories you remember. She bring you back to, don't?
Yeah, man.
She bring you back to when you did a fire, don't?
Yeah.
See it there. So weird, you did imagine that? You didn't...
When not the person will lock up your tongue, man, I tell you.
Oh, she bring you back to somebody you know who used to could have kissed good, don't?
Wow, when you roll over her eye, man, yeah, look on him, man.
When she roll over her eye, what? When you kiss her, she roll over her eye, what the kiss nice, don't?
Yeah, man.
Oh, because she did explain, say, she did have one youth who she used to deal with, and him they are foreign now, because she did Jamaica, obviously.
Yeah.
And she has said, boy, up till now, when she remember that youth there, because anytime the way that youth they can't kiss good, she said, it's like, she said, she pop off and all. No, them not do nothing, but she said, don't river fall and all them something there. So you know, say I want slap with kiss. That you didn't remember, don't?
Yeah, man, when that lady kiss them, man, it come like some shower rain fall, man.
Sure. Can't bother, you know. So you'd love for me, Ilian too cute?
Like, yeah.
Okay, all right. Who knows? Probably Raga
with... She's a single lady. If she's single.
Yeah. Oh, she have to be single for you meet her. If she have a man, you not talk to her. You not do them something there, right?
No.
Oh, you not talk to no woman if them have a man?
No, but no, then give them.
Oh, okay. You never Jim Screech here to that woman who there with a man and you do a little thing with her on the side?
I used to do that, man. I used to do that with that bee I have, and the guy won't leave. Him sit on the veranda all night. I may have to come out. I have to get up and come out to ask him if he not leave now.
No, hold on. Hold on. What you say? No, you lost me right there, you know. So you say you used to be a side. You used to be a side man for a woman, right?
Right.
And
but that guy was soft, you know.
Oh, he was a soft man.
Yeah. So when him sit on the veranda, when him see me come, I'm go inside the room. Him still sit down out there and won't leave. I have to come out of the room and ask.
No, hold on, right this. Hold on, stop right this. Are you telling me you used to sell down one woman who, when you go check who have a man, but when you go check her, the man up on the veranda and you walk past the man on the veranda and go in there to sell her out?
Yeah.
And do you himself, him sit down on the veranda and when you in there pressure the pipe and I put it on her, him sit down up on the veranda and know what you are doing inside?
12 o'clock at night, him still sit down out there. Don't want to move. I have to ask him, say, brother, no time for your guy here, no.
You serious?
Yeah, man.
I'm ready. Listen to me, you serious?
You never serious, Raga.
No, man, that's our next level cloning this. That man, a self-cloning, that next Oh, God. So we had time sit down there and listen to you. And when you did that put it pan her, she used to make any sound and all them something there.
What? Oh, my God, man. A king in called me, no, man.
A king she called you.
Part of my name is King, so he call me King, Mr. King.
Well, you know, part of my name is King, too. It's Kingsley. But what is your name?
My name is... I don't want to give up the name.
No, all right, leave it right there, sir. So you say when you put it on panel, so when him up on the veranda, him hear a ball out under the treatment in there.
Yeah, I tell you, man.
And him sit down on the veranda, see him, you make you in there pressure the meat.
Him just sit down on the veranda taking the stone love, man.
I taking the what?
Stone love.
Tambourine! What you say? If you sit down on the veranda and you in there, you run sound down. Stone love. Stone love stands alone. Yo! No. This is going to be a good time to play when all them famous Buju Banton and Stone love don't play. Stone love stand alone when you're inside and him on the veranda list. No, I can't believe it, General. Sit down. And so you say more while you come out and you just say, big man, you have to really sit down on the veranda right here, something or whatever. And that you say, no.
So that time for you leave no one, that time for you guy here now.
John, actually, you know, say you have a Buju Banton, you have one lyric in one Buju Banton say, run with the little boy off of the veranda. Yeah, my girl. You know that one? Run with the boy off of the veranda. A bigger man come in as a deal with it. You understand? Draw the berries. Step aside now. Another man come to take over. You need to move and go from the veranda. What?
There was one night when I screech up on the bee and a man see me and I have a next bee and him go tell the bee.
And him go.
A man informed the bee about me.
Yeah, boss
next bee and him now 1 o'clock 9 night there. Yeah. So come out of the house. So the bee rushed down for me with a long knife Raga over me head.
Rush down for you with a long knife like how Shorty Roach cartel with the knife, don't?
Yeah, so he must stab me.
She go stab you. So she go stab you, don't?
Yeah. So the bee said to her, say, if a girl man I run you along, girl, take him.
Rap. Tell me something. The woman where, the brother where they did on the veranda, you know if his name was Mr. Neverang?
No.
Okay, me just see that. Well, big up yourself. You hear me, General?
All right, sir.
Wait, where you call from? Because we hear some whole heap of sound in our background with the little creatures, them and things. Where you call from in Jamaica?
I call from Mobile, St. James.
Mobile, St. James. Which part of St. James? Flanker, where?
At the man when call you, I tell you about it with the dopey.
Okay, now say a word, man. Where you call from? Narwood, Flanker, which part?
No. I call from retirement side.
Retirement side. Big up yourself, you know. St. James, Lincoln, and thing. Larger Bridge 99 says so. Big up yourself. You hear me, General? All right.
Yeah. All right.
Protection. Yo, New York. Do remember, you know, say, this Sunday too, you know, the whole of the ticket them sell off for DJ writing, but we just want I tell people all the while, say enough dead for everybody, you know. Enough dead for everybody and thing and whatever. And you don't know the general Dwight, you know, him have an all-white boat cruise and thing on the same day to the paddle wheel queen leaving out of wait, let me see where the location there. Paddle wheel queen over, you know, one World's Fair, you know, World's Fair, Marina Flushing, the paddle wheel queen. And you don't know, say Dwight, all white, that you know, people. No passport required. Music by Mashwork, Love Line, Fire Blocks from Cinemax and thing and whatever. So, on just line up on a selfie that one day we know who want to make sure so on support the white thing and the thing and whatever, you know. So we can have fun all about and sitting and you don't know, say do it. Me I look on the flyer right or something. And very often, the quality of a flyer and what the flyer represents and what it connotes and what it presents, you know, and what it exudes, you know, is indicative of what the quality of what the event will be. And do I think look like it have a go on with be something in a paper sound if you just drop up in that one day and sitting and whatever. So if you don't want to go out Sunday and thing and whatever, and you know, we have different options now. So again, Dwight presents his all-white boat cruise this Sunday, August 7th. No passport required. Jamaica Independence Celebration. Same way. So boarding time 6 p.m. Departure 7 p.m. Complimentary buffet. $60 advance ticket. More at the pier and things. So here we go. Let me go on a number for call. All who want to go on a boat ride this Sunday, yeah? And thing and you know, no found on a link me throughout the week and thing about DJ ride, boat ride. I mean, I have to tell them, say the ticket them done and all them something there now, whatever. But more event they want to can go out this Sunday on for God. This Sunday on for God. If your woman no want to go out with you, go out with the bonner woman. If your man no want to go out with you, go out with the bonner man. Go out with your friend. You understand? If you have a threesome partner, no, nothing with the 300. The 300 go out to. You understand? I saw the thing said. Right? So, Dwight all white there. This Sunday, again, one World's Fair Marina. Over there, so the thing there. Boarding time at 6 p.m. Departure time at 7 p.m. You just lock in upon that one day and go enjoy on yourself. This is the number for get tickets for Dwight boat ride. This is the number for get tickets for Dwight boat ride. See the number here. 732-688-8870. Right? The number for Dwight boat ride this Sunday. 732-688-8870. 732-688-8870. 732-688-8870. Call Dwight right now. Ragashanti endorse that one young thing or whatever. Voluntarily so. And thing or whatever. I just make you know. Say, me ask a couple of questions first because I run in on certain things, you know. And thing I ask a couple of questions and I call, me link them and them say, yo, a good youth ragga. You can't say something and put your name out there and endorse it because I make sure I talk to who. Me know say now go around the thing and whatever. So do it, big up yourself, you know. Right? Do it both right, this thing and whatever. Yo, big up all of my linky them at Jamaica, you know, right? Some of them young youth and thing, I don't know the levels. Big up all of my arcade people, I mean, Yasmin and the whole world, Ricky and the whole world, Rule Works, large upon herself, Ricky, all Southside family, big up on herself. And I don't know, on the native Sunday, I see him here. When we say Gold Street, when we say Widows Lane, when we say Blake Road, when we say Clover Valley Road, when we say Lissant Road, Spoilers Massive, Large Upon Thing, Tex Lane, James Street, Beanston Street, Charles Street and thing, Smith Lane and the whole works. When we say Tel Aviv, big up on yourself, Rum Lane and the whole works. Gold Street, Ioban Street and thing, and I don't know Barry Street and everybody down at them ends there. Waterhouse, and I don't know anything off of BF Farm, big up on yourself, go all the way down to see you. Next to that place, Shabarang's place and all the place about to kill a large up yourself and things all firehouse massive thing. Anybody after Olympic we are big up on yourself, Grass Quick Glade and them thing there. Original Anderson Avenue family and all one time massive big up on yourself, everything is everything. We're gonna lock a look a break right now. We're soon forward.
IrieJam. Years of quality Caribbean radio.
This is Zion Stewart, and you're listening to my dad, the awesome Ragashanti, on Bridge 99 FM.
That's right, Papi, to make them know a proper thing. A quick thing, let me tell you now. When I listen to Raga and I listen to Mass Raga, I come to president, I just tell them something real quick and think, all right. There's some things I don't share because of certain reason, but there's some things I have to help on with. That is what I do. So people listen to me right now, because I'm going to tell you something for you not get in trouble. Particularly some of the man. Men, the woman them understand the social media thing and the phone thing more than we. So I'm going to tell you something real quick one to avoid. Listen to Mass Raga, listen to Mass Raga, listen to Mass Raga. Social media company, them want you to remain engaged on it because what they do, they engage in something called data mining. So them want to find out all kind of information about you, and them can't find out the information if you don't remain engaged. So that's why Facebook has tell you to poke people and do all kind of thing and whatever, and them give you notification and I tell you say that person left something and this and that and whatever. And the idea is to keep you engaged. One of the ways in which social media keep you engaged is whatever you like, if you click like on something, they have what they call an algorithm, which is basically a computer program. And part of the algorithm, one of the common things in algorithms on social media is whatever a user like or whoever posts them like, them show that post there to whoever they on the person friend list. The reasoning is, the logic is, it's a high probability that whatever you like, who you know, likely for like the same thing too. So that way, you are engaged with something, so they must show it to your friend them because whatever you are engaged with, your friend them likely to engage with it too. And that helps to fulfill their objective, which is to keep you engaged. The problem with that is, whatever you like, your woman or your man can see it too. So if you are like something, you know, but you think so you just like it, because you're not really comment or nothing, so your woman not go see or your man not go see. But if your woman or your man understand social media, I mean, I tell you, like if you're not on Instagram, if you like something, you just scroll and you see something like one picture with one woman, an influencer, you know, skin out certain way and a go on certain way. And Instagram have a way for say, President like this too, and it go on at the bottom. Some of us want to know, so that a beat somehow and don't know. So in other words, be careful what you like, because you may like something for send a message to the person quietly there. But your woman or your man, if them smart enough, them must see it too. And them do it not for smart enough because social media go tell you directly too. I go put your name right under it and say, yeah, President like this. Axteel did like this, Jabba did like this. So my suggestion to you is like, nobody run in. If you don't want nobody know your business, nobody like certain things, because people who understand that something, they sit down and pre you and them look at thing there and then them start check out who you like and them some. But anyway, we still have a topic where we work with, you know, right? And if you don't want to call in or anything else, you don't want to call in, but remember now, I want you to call in and tell us something what you do. Something significant what you do back in the day where I'll know your mother don't know say you do it, or I'll know your friend them don't know say you do it. I'll know your mother don't know say you do it, or I'll know one of your friend back in the day don't know say you do it, all right? I'll know your mother don't know say you do it, I'll know your father don't know say you do it, or I'll know one of your friend them don't know say you do it. But you're going to reveal it tonight to you again. So the number from Jamaica is 876-676-4996. 876-676-4996. 876-676-4996. 876-676-4996. From Jamaica. If you're calling from the United States or Canada, the number is as follows. 888-546-8742. 888-546-8742. 888-546-8742. One more time. 888-546-8742. To the phone lines will go. Brap. Hello.
Raga.
Greetings. Talk up. Energy. Yeah.
I think I was from the general, man.
Yeah, man. Yeah, give us some energy now Friday. So what you say, Tikaros?
Yeah, man, back to the history thing, man, my general, man.
Hey, what you said about the history thing, I know. Yeah, send on.
not even talk about the hockey and starfish, because I know that history them me have to go down in it more deeper. But me I talk about the history.
Yeah.
So we are celebrate 60 years of independence, right?
Yeah.
But we calling ourselves independent. We are wrong.
But remember say you did call about the same, answer the same exact thing in the Wednesday, you know. Yeah, no.
Yeah, but for the honest no, I the finish, me never get to make you understand the reason why military says so.
No man, you did going out, man. You did going out. Remember you're going out. So why?
Going out the way, cause watching on my general.
Yeah.
We still get beat. We still get beat mentally.
Yeah.
And also physically, you know.
Okay, see.
When you look upon it, we not have nothing for ourselves. We national airplane that we me know as a little boy as Air Jamaica.
Right.
That sell out as Caribbean Airlines.
I know it never sell out as Caribbean Airlines, but Caribbean Airlines was separate from Air Jamaica. But let us just say that the airline was divested and it is no more, right? Yeah, go on.
And as well saying the history from Africa.
Yeah.
About the Egypt as they call it.
The what?
And that Egypt. Egypt, what we call Egypt is not Egypt, you know, it's Kemet, you know. You know, African history, you know.
Kemet,
sorry.
Yeah, Kemet. Okay, yeah.
So, and alongside with more African history get stolen from us even up to the day. Some 1 and 2 with them actually in their frame of mind, I could give them back them there, because them can't say them find them there. Because you can't find what it was actually ours.
Okay. So hold on. You said Jamaica have nothing where we can own for say our thing right now and be proud of in our celebration of our 60. We don't have anything indigenous where we can be proud of. Is that what you're saying?
But now this not, we don't have nothing. Because everything sell out, man, in general.
Everything sell out. Okay.
Everything sell out. Everything right now have your import. When last a Jamaican look on a next Jamaican product? On an honest note.
On an honest note. What you mean, a next Jamaican product? What you mean by what?
Say, all right, me as a Jamaican, say, all right, say me handcraft something.
Yeah.
And put it out on the road and say, all right, me I sell it in general.
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah.
How many Jamaicans are going to come and even pass throughout the day and even say, all right, they're going to even purchase one of my items then.
Okay. So hold on. You're saying Jamaicans don't support local products? Is that what you're saying?
Overall, automatically, we say we're Jamaicans are all for one or one for all. We're not.
Okay, Mr. Well, that is a solid point that Jamaicans don't, they perhaps should support local products a little bit more, whatever, than they do right now. But hold on. But you just essentially diagnose the problem. So, real quickly, tell me give me one way in which those who govern the country, you would think can help to change that collective mentality, so that Jamaicans can appreciate what we produce more. Like, give me one way in which you think, the country should, the government or, the private sector in collaboration with the private sector, our powerful stakeholders of influence can, can do one thing. Give me one thing where you think them can do for help change the mentality of the people in that regard.
All right. My thinking, to be honest, all right, create more jobs. We need to create more jobs for each other. We as Jamaicans.
No, hold on, think of us. We need to create more jobs.
Don't want to get it wrong, Don't want to get it wrong. Why you hear me on?
No, hold on, think of us. You see that discussion, yeah? I understand why you're there and thing and whatever. I know some people are going to listen and say, look, the man want to go, you don't want to follow up the man and whatever this and that. But take us, I encourage you for those come upon a Monday and Wednesday with them media, because you see that media now, it will change the feel of the thing. And on Friday, we try to keep it light and fun for the people. Because the media, We can't get in 99. In fact, them type of reasoning I'm love, you know. Them TamFamers can't tell you. You understand? But on a Friday, and thing, we try to keep it light and fun. You hear? So no disrespect. Here. All right, but big up. No, but hold on. No, but hold on. What you know though is a solid point you make. And even how it, you know, I mean, we have a lot to be proud of, but you know, what are some of the things that we can look on symbolically and say, look on this, look on that, look on that, and whatever.
The only thing we can say, bolt.
And no, I hear the irony of that. The people who make those accomplishments, they tend to do that without the support of the powerful, rich people, and the people of influence and the people of affluence, you know, people who have political power and people who have economic power. Those accomplishments, reggae music, dancehall, the athletes, them and whatever, most of those accomplishments were done without the support of the country, you know, except for people like Babsy and them people who have support them thing the long time and whatever. You know, like reggae music. There has never been a comprehensive infrastructure put in place to say, this is a long-term plan for promote reggae music because it is a value and whatever. And them look at things that were them the superficial. Them not, you know. So even those accomplishments were done without the support of the people who are the biggest critic of dancehall, them are the biggest critic of this, are the biggest critic. But them not do nothing for indigenous Jamaica, but them are benefit from Jamaica, because money they are Jamaica and thing and whatever. Enough people are do well at Jamaica, but them not really care about them something. But it's a good point you make, but it's a reason why we juggle Monday and Wednesday. Yeah, big up yourself. Yeah.
For the honest one. Cartel I'm an artist now.
Yeah.
I want everybody to know. Cartel I'm my artist.
All right, sir.
You understand me?
Yeah.
And
yeah.
I know the teacher, everybody make mistake.
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah.
One thing me blame my teacher for do because him is an intelligent youth.
Yeah.
Him go back at you and him ask him the same question them me that ask him and me literally see him in my life. Although me never see him. But when I honest, so one thing.
Ticaros, talk to me Monday and Wednesday about. No, man, listen to me. No, Ticaros, you're going to Ticaros, you're going to something else. Ticaros, you're going to something else. Hear what me say, man. I mean, run the show. You're going to something else, Papa. Monday, Wednesday. Here? All right, yeah, man. Cool. All right, next call, President. Send on. Hello.
Do your thing, General.
What? All right. President, you know, hang it up. Who don't? Hello? Yes, hello.
Yes, Raga.
Yeah.
You remember IrieJam?
Yeah. You know IrieJam, yeah.
Yeah, remember he used to do the boat ride at Jamaica. So we are called upon him again. You know which station is now.
No. What about people used to the boat ride? But are you saying something specific about IrieJam boat ride?
Yeah, because we go on film boat ride already. So
you did go on IrieJam boat ride?
Yeah, man.
Okay.
Yeah, good ride.
All right. So you want IrieJam for do back a boat ride for you go on it?
Yeah, we do back a boat ride.
All right. Yeah. Cool. All right.
Mm-hmm. So I called upon him again to come out with the same thing again.
All right.
Okay.
Mm-hmm. Okay, cool. All right. 876-676-4996. 876-676-4996. If you're calling from the United States or Canada, the number is 888-546-8742, 888-546-8742, 888-546-8742, 888-546-8742. People, here I want it happen today. And to the feminists them out there, who love sit down and just listen for negative thing and whatever. I probably got a problem with that one, so just go one side and just kind of chill a little bit. And all right, President, bring in the call. Me tell him the mix up here. Hello. Hello.
Hello.
Yes, greetings.
Yeah, Raga.
All right, yeah. Move it from the radio. Move it from whatever you listen or turn it off. Here?
Yeah. Move it.
Yeah, what go on?
I take you back for something called last week. But Too Cute.
Yeah, what about Too Cute?
Yeah, and somebody in a car was talking and they say God gives jokes.
Yeah.
And the car talk. So Too Cute after Too Cute says, Raga, God gives jokes too. God gives jokes. I was in the bathroom. I was asking for God give me jokes.
Right.
For me to have me clothes. God look pan the meat nappers and he say, Too Cute, how the meat nappers fat so? I mean, they laugh.
Right.
And laugh.
Right.
You were saying to us where God said that to her about that part of body, where God said that to her.
Right.
Yeah, she was continue. So me saying that doesn't mean no say. One day if God gave us over Too Cute to do.
You are wonder if God jealous over Too Cute, Jojo.
Hey, that's why Too Cute God asked him what to do. So the do fat and she did laugh. I said, God name me, you give me. So me say if I jealous God if Too Cute be say I jealous God jealous somebody do this.
Well, I'm not sure. I'm not sure, whatever, but my understanding of God is such that it is impossible for God to be jealous of anything.
Yeah.
So the question is not even why. We don't even need to raise the question if God jealous. God can't jealous over God can't jealous over anything.
God can, but why should I say God not tell her about fornication or adultery? What God will tell her, you do fat and she the laugh.
Well, just be remembered when Too Cute say she love God and God is with her because her point is that God is with her all the time, right? And it was her way of saying, because I remember I was deliberately raising provocative questions, and one of the questions I raised was that when these people talk about God, nobody ever talk about God giving a joke or God having a sense of humor or God, appreciating something hilarious. So, there was a whole bunch of questions, and I was like, also people, sex and sexuality is so important to us and whatever, but nobody ever said God say anything about anything to do with sex. And the only thing them say God say about to do with sex is that sex is something bad, or that sex is a neutral, utilitarian thing. Bad. So in response, Too Cute was saying, it was her way of saying, listen, God is manifested in everything that we do. So she basically was saying, when you eat your food, God did it with you. If you take your bus, God did it with you. And she's basically saying, when you're being intimate, God is there with you also. And she was saying, when I'm in the bathroom naked and admiring myself or whatever, it's God manifesting, there also. So she said, if I something fat and pretty, she said, that is God saying it to her. That was her way of saying it. But if you remember, right after that, I said, you cute, man, get me in a trouble, because if my mother did alive and hear them something, I should have drawn me up about it and thing or whatever. And of course, Mark called in after, Mark down there in Jamaica, called in after and said that he wasn't comfortable with that because him like Too Cute, but him don't think Too Cute should be talking about God with anything to do with sex and she in the bathroom and which part of our fat and all them, something there. So it's two sides of the argument that on each side have some credible part, and there is room there for some sort of meeting of the minds and some reconciliation, and it is provocative in the sense that it can encourage people to think beyond the boundaries that have been established for us. And a lot of people have this thing that sex is just such a bad thing that you're not supposed to associate God with it. And I am one of those people who challenge that. I believe that if, based on my understanding of what God is, I think it is a convenient limitation on the part of people and their insecurities to say that God is not present during exciting, amazing sex. I think that is wrong. I think great sex and whatever this and that, based on how omnipotent and omnipresent God is, then God must be present there too. Likewise, what two cute say, if she's in her bathroom showering and bathing and admiring herself or whatever, she's manifesting God inside of her because God is everywhere, you know? So that's just, you know.
Of course.
Right.
But that's what she said. I never feel comfortable about it. The God look on our dudes and say, it's fat. And she will laugh at it. Then God, no, you give me, no.
No, I understand that, you know. No, I understand, but what I also want you to know is that we were taught that God has nothing to do with sex and that it's rude to associate God with sex because we have been taught to demonize sex and to look on it as something from the secular world that has nothing to do with the sacredness of God. But what I'm saying, that is a human Western construction. Which, if you understand what I say with them type of terms, they and all them thing there, whatever. And think because if you really understand God the way it is taught, then you would know that God is in everything. God is everywhere. And if God is everywhere, having sex is somewhere. So God have to be there also. But some people don't want you to talk about it. But anyway, we have to go break for 3 minutes here. Yeah, we have to go break for 3 minutes here.
All right.
Yeah, man. Bless up. And yeah, man. Yeah. I'm up the call of him. People, it's a provocative thing, you know. Yeah, and I do these things at times, but it's really a salient issue. Why human being limit where God is supposed to be present, but at the same time you say God is everywhere. So why God can't be present when you're having fun or when you're experiencing intense pleasure? God has to be there too. And the great irony of it, when most of you in it and in the eater, that's something there. Who for name on the ball out? Who for name ball out more when the thing's sweet? Jesus Christ, Lord God, why? Lord God, Jesus Christ, why? Why? Jesus God, Jesus God, Jesus God. Hence the contradiction. I'm just saying. Okay, break time. 3 minutes, we're so far.
Ragashanti live. Ragashanti live. Ragashanti live.
Back in the juggling. 876-676-4996 from Jamaica. 876-676-4996 from Jamaica. 876-676-4996 from Jamaica. 876-676-4996 from Jamaica. Do remember from the United States or Canada, toll free. The number is 888-546-8742. 888-546-8742. 888-546-8742. 888-546-8742. And I don't know the calling about anything I want to call him about. But still, whatever under something there and thing and whatever. Is there something from your past where you did do something, where you did do? Well, I know your mother don't know so you did do it. I know your father don't know so you did do it. And thing just call in and share that with we seeing. Or I know your friend don't know so you did do it. Or I know somebody who did a power with a juggle, something significant where you're back in the day, and think call and tell about it and think something significant where you're doing in the past. And I know certain people that know say they do that. Just call in and share that with you and make we hear what go on. Again, if you call from the United States, New York, or the U.S., anywhere in the U.S. or Canada, the number is 888-546-8742. 888-546-8742. 888-546-8742. 888-546-8742. To the phone line we go. Good night. Hello.
Hello.
Yes, greetings.
Good night, sir.
Good night, sir.
What go on the boss?
Yeah, me there, what you up to?
Everything good?
Everything good, man.
Yeah, them a call and a bash. One of the man they call a talk about him, if you don't know, say I'm married man. I don't know. Say I'm married man.
Listen to me, if you leave certain things, leave something that
All right, all right.
You don't know what is going on in my life. Why you call and I make announcement for me for?
No,
but why you want? You don't know what is going on in my life. Be careful.
All right. Okay,
no fun to go like you know what going on, you don't know what going on. Don't make no assumption and all these things. You understand?
All right.
No, because me no come out and say certain things. You always get yourself in a trouble. Why you come out and attack for me for?
All right. You know, I think I dry my dry out.
No, but no, why you not worry about me? Worry about you. Don't worry about me.
All right.
Go on. Right away you get yourself in a trouble.
Yeah. Me know. All right. Here we are calling still, is it?
I wonder where you're calling, but remember now we at the last hour of the show. No, we're not going there. We're not going there. That's at the first hour. All right, so we're not okay. All right.
No, but me that try to
listen to me, no, but you never get in, so we don't even go there, so. Nobody carry the show there, so. Let it go.
All right. Me not call, all right, sir. Cause me I call before, but me not get you.
You don't say that already. I'm tell you, so we're not going there.
Yes, sir.
All right. Okay, cool. All right, next call, President. Give me that call, yeah. Hello. Hello.
Well, Raga, let's hear the best of the Raga. I understand the man.
Dandy Shandy, what you say, Dandy Shandy? What you up to? Dandy Shandy, you sound like you're right beside the bullfrog, them, man. How them loud in your phone, so?
No, man, I mean, get rid of them, man. But put up anti-pesticide on them.
You put up what? Oh, cause them did loud in your phone a while ago. It sound like you didn't lay down with a bullfrog a while ago. It did loud in your phone a while. So what you say in the night? You talk up fast. What you say?
Yeah. We want to get a good topic in a Raga.
No. We want a good topic. What you mean? You give me a topic for the show, or you're calling about something at this point for share.
All right. What the topic you want?
No. If you don't ask the topic. Just talk what you want to talk.
Yeah, man. I say, I have a special topic, but me don't want to jump on a topic. I brother, he might go around the thing. I will go for you. I will go like he might debate. He might debate a little thing. He might try. Say, boy, Raga, you might talk about, but you know nobody talk to you. You're a big man anyway. But anyway, my topic is this tonight.
Yeah.
I love where you live. I'm going to go and keep the program going on fine and very spontaneous.
Yeah.
I just go and feel your fan base. But when I'm not matter to say no, you must smart, you must find something to say. So as far as me say, I say relevantly, yeah, me catch up on the next topic. I'm not much to say. I don't want to drop the program.
All right.
You done me.
No, man, respect for that, man, and thing. We appreciate them on that time because you are basically endorsing the thing and I encourage the thing and whatever. We appreciate that and simultaneously I express some understanding, so you know, really want to change the flavor and the energy of the thing. And we appreciate them understanding there, all right? Yeah.
God bless you, man. I just continue doing the thing now. All right, now, I run New York to the straight up.
All right, then. Blessings, my general.
I'm just continue putting the strength and the power, yes, sir?
Bad, so. All right, so big up yourself. Yeah, man. Yeah. Prezi, stop. 876-676-499. Prezi. 876-676-4996. 876-676-4996. Yo, I know the last hour over there, you know, we want the energy keep up and things, so we just calling about some drama or some sitting and thing. We just want to keep on. Nobody kill the vibes right now. Remember, we say Friday we keep it light and full of vibes and all these things and whatever. Understand? And thing, it's a period of reprieve for people from them stresses and, you know, some drama where them go throughout the week and thing. Time for laugh and thing and get light about certain things. So I remember just going to a mix up and today that mix up you go on, today that mix up you go on. You see it every time I go to the mix up. All right, give me the call. Hello. Yo, Mr. Combs, you not gone on your bed yet?
Me no bed with you night and day. Me bed with me. You tell me bed with me.
Yeah, but
me hide nothing, you know.
Yeah, but me think you gonna sleep already, man. But where go on?
That different. No, man. Me sleep at daytime all day, you know.
Okay. Where go on?
Why me there give God thanks, you know?
Blessings.
Yeah,
Blessings. All right.
man.
Everything all right otherwise?
Well, thank God for that, you know?
Blessings.
Then I call me over there, so when I me call me, tell me listen about sometimes me like busy, power. One night they talk, enter your pad and this and that, and then and all I hope me line they talk about it that until it's all done.
Yeah,
so sometimes I don't know what go on with it.
Yeah, sometimes it's hard to get in and thing. That's how it go, Mr. Come. That's how it goes sometimes, you know?
But anyway, me keep... All right, I just say you want to hear something what you do there, young boy.
Yeah. Something what you do.
Yeah, my brother.
Yeah.
The one who asked me, in your one, them a 4-year-old on me.
Him 4-year-old on you, your brother, yeah?
Yeah, my father was called him September.
Your father did have one cow named September?
Yeah.
The cow did name September?
One cow banana.
Okay.
He plant on banana trash whip. And he give me one and he said, make we start to cow boy and be the cow.
Wait, hold on. He cut one banana trash and what?
The banana bark of a tree. We plant and make whip.
I make whip.
Yeah, man, and we are beat the cow and Raga. Believe me, man, maybe it's supposed to beat after something. And the cow go down, you know, Raga, go down, you know. To come up with him, and me don't know what God show me one story for me, give him one lick between it toward me, a pump.
Well, no. Who you give one lick? September? September? Well, no. September did I run off for your brother?
Yeah, man, fi dig him up, you know.
Fi dig him up? Fi dig up your brother?
Yeah, man, fi buck him down.
Fi buck him down?
And boy, either me kill my brother or me kill the cow. I left for me, would have been worrying me up.
No, where you lick? So, where you pick up? Well, where you pick up and lick September with? A board or stone or what?
One stone.
Oh, and where you lick September? Where you lick him with the stone?
Right in between two and then far with the broad part of face.
Oh, the broad part of face, right between the cow, 2 yards, and right in her face, because did I run down your brother for go buck your brother?
Yeah, man, and you want to catch him, kill him, you can both kill him. So, you can cut him back a little bit. And Mr. Come. If you know what Miss Yow a while ago, the cow not dig out your back. Yeah, man. And Mr. Boy, I Mr. not trouble the cow, man. So, me never go back with him again.
You never go back with your brother go trouble September?
No, man, tell me about 9 my 3-year-old on me.
Oh. So, but nothing ever happened to September, though?
No, man.
Oh.
But tell my father if you look at his face, good?
Yeah.
But it's only my father can enjoy him upon... So we enjoy him, I say, please up so. Look up at touch him with bad part. And if he shake it and so...
So, well, you didn't tell your father, say, you will accept... Well, you tell your father... Well, you didn't tell your father, say, you will accept September between here.
No, man.
Oh.
I tell him, knock him and... Pound bread would drop my face.
Oh, so you tell your father, say, a breadfruit... Well, you tell your father, say, a breadfruit drop in a September face.
Me tell you, when I come give you water today...
Yeah?
One breadfruit drop and lick him in the face for the... But the breadfruit don't drop, no lie.
I lie, you did that tell your father. Okay.
But me want to know, me tell him, use his hand and touch him for you, squeeze the bad part of him.
Yeah.
If a box haven't you more shaking, you know.
Oh, okay. But him face never did really bust like
no,
that.
No, me I don't do it.
Well, what September was a bull or was a heifer?
Mother cow.
Heifer. Okay. Right.
Yeah, woman cow, yeah.
Woman cow, okay. All right. But your memory sharp. Me I tell you, Tina, down in Florida, they say your memory sharp and think I remember them something. Eh?
I just said that, you see?
Yeah.
God give me a sense. Sometimes when I talk to my wife, you know, all right, what things will happen when I free in parish, free in district.
Fear district.
Long afternoon to Philip.
Yeah.
You had not your night time, I said, how you remember this thing there?
Yeah.
Me tell a talk show, man, last week, that's at Sunday morning. 2 o'clock, 2 to 5 o'clock in the morning.
Yeah.
Me tell him something, we used to go on and talk. Kingston did nice, you know.
Yes, I've heard a lot of stories about that back in the day, Kingston back in the day.
Kingston did nice, no.
Mm-hmm.
When you left one work, you know, you never afraid, no. 2 weeks now, part of the work, you know.
Okay.
You have Caribbean product, you have, let me tell you, you have cream come up. You have cream.
Yeah.
You have factory the 2 sides, many of them. You have Caribbean product. where over 300 people were on shift, from 10 to 6, 6 to 2, 2 to 10, and 7 to 4.
Okay. Them days, but them type of history that we want to explain, upon like one other night and thing, because, but me hear them thing, the man say back in the day, Kingston did nice. In fact, I have friends who explain to me that the richest and most powerful people, they all lived in Kingston at one point. All of the important people, them and thing, at Kingston, them did live
one shirt factory, a beer farm with a White Park, when you New York, a shirt factory used to make Harrow shirt, Harrow.
Remember Harrow shirt, yeah. Harrow shirt, yeah.
If I'm now, we have Harrow shirt, no man want to know.
Yeah, back in the day, and that was around for, because when me the little bit time, the big people, them used to wear Harrow shirt for true, yeah.
Mr. Man, may I tell you, man, not all them say, gone, nothing. We are going to Kingston is nice, man.
All right, Mr. Coons, blessings, man. Yeah, man, cool.
Big up, Dana.
Yeah, man. Yeah, she did all the post since night, and thing, Dana from Pembroke Foundation. Big up yourself. Jesus, God. Mr. Coombs, the boy, them a speed past your yard. Poopa, Jesus. You hear them a speed past the one that the accident, them down the turn. Well, we have to be careful, because accident terrible up here.
The second Saturday, Friday, Saturday. Sunday morning, the 3rd of July, right at me get
dead right at your gate out there, though.
Right at me get for Ugly Park Road.
Right for Ugly Park. But
you come from Ugly Park Road, you come and party.
Yeah.
And then you come back over and drive the car.
Yeah,
and trade them to put their car.
Yeah, I think I saw that, yeah.
1 day, 2 years.
Okay. All right, Mr. Coombs, bless you.
We talk again, yeah?
Yes, my brother. Yes, my daddy. Cool up. Big up yourself, Mr. Coombs. Yeah, man. Cool. So anyway, outside people want to call in. Me wait for the calling or whatever. I'm going to the mix-up with me. It's not a big mix-up, but it's still I find it interesting. All right? So this woman now, she there with this man, but the man married. But she know what is what, right? That she said she know what is what. And she, oh Lord, yeah, give me a call. Hello.
Hello?
Yeah, greetings, yeah.
Raga.
Yeah.
Blessings, my G.
No, move her from the radio. Right here, the radio in that background. Move her. We can't have that. Yeah?
Yeah. Can you hear me now?
No, me I hear you. We just don't want to hear the radio too.
Yeah, man. I say blessings, you know?
Yeah, proper.
Yeah, love the program and thing. You see me?
Yeah.
But, boy, me not like Raga. Yo, Robert, me don't know to Robert, you know? Yo, the virgin of I mean, no brother, that you there, I don't know.
What you think?
No man, some about him, brother. Brother.
No, so what you want? What you think? What you think?
Tormented, brother.
What you say, Robert tormented? Why you gonna say that though? Why? Why?
No man, the way I'm talking more while, you know?
Yeah.
You see me?
Robert just always a look woman, and Robert just feels that this show here is a good place to look woman.
Yeah, but I will put him which part him there. I saw him salt and thing, man.
Well, yeah, Robert come from Linstead, so yeah, say enough woman there Linstead, so Robert supposed to can get.
I mean,
yeah.
Brother.
Yeah.
So him salt and thing, him salt like El Beach, brother.
You beat him, though. You beat him.
You must like El Beach, I swear to God.
So yes, Robert, for just love out the program for look woman and try to find woman at Linstead. Because only part woman there at Linstead and them turn good too. Yeah, Linstead woman them still good. Yeah.
Yeah, Zine.
Yeah.
And what you know?
Yeah.
More big up two of your listeners, them, you know.
Listeners or callers?
No, yeah, callers.
Yeah. Yeah, one.
You know, someone big up too cute still.
Elaine too cute, yeah. Okay.
Rate our vibes, man, trust me.
Rap, see it there. Yeah?
Yeah. I'm gonna big up Tina, you know. Tina too cute.
And Tina. So, hold on. So, hear that talking now. You are bigging up the too cute.
Yeah.
So, you big up Elaine too cute and Tina too cute too.
Yeah. Raga.
Yeah.
You know, it's on a serious note. I don't see anybody can cuss like Tina, can throw argument like Tina, brother.
Nah, man, Tina bad pan or something, man. Let me tell you what Tina bad pan. Tina, she know a punchline, man. Let me tell you, man, Tina, you have some people, man, know them, man. Them mouth just wassy. You see Tina, me and Tina catch up in an argument, and if Tina goes, Raga, you have this and whatever. Me I just humble myself and say, you go on, man, and walk. You understand what I say? Because you know say you're going to get murderation. Anyway, you go on like you want to defend it. Anyway, you go on like me, I'll go and go say, Ray. You know, just too bad talk and thing, and Raga done right there. So Tina have some sample talk, the man, me I tell you, man, I'm a legend.
I mean, I lie now. You see too cute, more well and thing.
Yeah.
Feeling too cute.
Yeah.
Sometimes she throw some punch, you know, but them not too conic like how Tina to fear thing, you know?
Yeah. No, but what let me tell you now. Tina's strength is she would chew a punchline and she deliberately chew a punchline. Elaine too cute now. Fear thing is she would just attack and it sell her. She not chewing a punchline, you know. She would just tell you about when she go downtown, go by, yeah man. And just the way how she tell it. Anybody dead will laugh, you know. She would just tell you, say, you know, say one time I used to talk to this brother and Ray. Like me always tell people, say, don't try to give joke. Just talk the thing authentic and the joke will come out. She are one of them there. You understand? Because she just keep it real and she just talk wagoso and just in the delivery. It is funny, it is entertaining, it is engaging, and we get it. You know, but Tina would just know, say, yo, I got to a punchline now. And the punchline, and she know what the punchline is, and thing, and whatever, you understand?
Well, I mean, Raga, the body for me with shoes, I don't with the microwave, brother.
No, man. Hey.
The body don't use.
No, man. You know, she kill Big House with that. We don't hear about Big House from that night there, you know. She rub out Big House, you know. No, man. Hey. Yo, me bust the microwave one day at Brooklyn or whatever, and people give me ratings and all them things there. I tell him, say, rate them, I get it off and still a Tina, I get it from you know. But me don't tell Tina, say me I go use it. Yo, from Tina, rub out Big House with that one, we don't hear nothing from Big House again after that, you know. That's me a little wonder, because remember say when Big House he calling the first time, you know, remember say, him woman did dead like 4 months before, you know, and me I feel a way after, I say, a little after that, him get killed, you know. I say, a little after that, Tina rub him out, you know.
Vanish, you know. Make him vanish.
Yeah, man, from Tina rub him out that night, that man, Big House speechless, man, I think. But I don't think Big House really understand the clash thing for my show, you know. I don't think he really get it and thing. And then him go come in with some tough talk and thing and whatever. And then Tina say, oh, you coming like a wicked. So, all right. Since you're going like a wicked. Ray. Yo, Mr. Man, you're coming like a number 9 pan a microwave. Nobody not touch you. Yo, let me tell you, said that. Hey, you see that kill there? You see that punchline there? Yeah. You know them punchline there when the person say it. At first, you're confused, like you say, what them just say, what them I talk about? And then when you think about it and it's sinking, you end up and say, Bombardster! You ever hear in a Jamaica them say, yo, some people when them go stab up people them go cut up people, them rub knife in a garlic. And when you get cut with garlic knife, and when you all run when you reach and I say, John, Ray, long after you realize say you get cut. I saw that kill this day, you know, the number 9 microwave. Because when Tina Bong it, you know, at first I was like, we should just, and you see when and when you start think about it, I mean, I go back in a history and I think about all of the microwave them when me use. Me never touch number 9 on the microwave yet for true, you know.
True.
Who touch them? Nobody not touch number 9 on the microwave. It just dead so.
Yeah.
Nobody put in 19 seconds or 19 minutes or 29 minutes or 109. Nobody not touch. It's like the number 9 there, nobody not see it. Nothing not going for number 9. It just dead so whatever and this and that. Number 9 don't have no ratings at all. It don't have no use. Number 9 we walk in and dance. Number 9 pan a microwave we walk in and dance and nobody not see the number 9 to bomba. You understand? You're nothing, you know, if you're number 9 pan a microwave, you know. You're nothing, you know, nothing not going for you, you know. Nothing at all now go on for you. I want wicked kill that, you know.
Yeah. And the body slam that, brother.
Rub out big house to rotting, me I tell you.
Raga,
Kill big house.
one last thing now.
Yeah.
Me I say we must share something with you where we never share with the mother and father or something like that.
Yeah. Well, something what you do, I know your mother and father don't know say you do it, or your friend don't know say you do it. Yeah.
Watch this now, Raga.
Yeah.
You know say, alright, my stepfather Zane.
Yeah.
Is a man don't eat pork. He don't eat pork and thing. You know I know so one night, brother. The man are sleeping on my king. The man are sleeping on.
Yeah.
Cause it's a man, him sleeping the more open and thing, you know.
Yeah.
Zane.
Yeah.
So you know what me do now?
Yeah.
Say, alright. I just cover a piece of pork out of the pot and thing. And you don't know, I squeeze upon him and thing, I squeeze upon him in my G. Me? And I put the pork in my mouth and thing. Zane?
Yeah.
Because it's in wake up now.
Yeah.
Because you have this little boy in a yard where he never like and thing.
Yeah.
So him think of him they put it in their mouth and thing.
No, hold on. Before you read this, when him wake up, when him do it, what am I with the pork in his mouth? When him wake up.
Man. When he wake up and things like he must say, I want to go on there, sir. You see me?
When do him spit out the pork or him swallow the pork?
Him swallow it.
Oh, him end up swallow it when him wake up?
Yeah.
And then him start to say, I want to go on and how that reach in his mouth and what happen after that?
Yeah. And this little youth now, because this little boy now, he never like him that much, you know.
Yeah.
So him think of the little youth. Do it.
Yeah.
I mean, the man give you some lick, you know, brother.
Are you stand up there and watch you get your lick and down?
Of course.
Okay. And you never say nothing to say you put. Obviously, you never say nothing to say you put
your pork. I never say nothing to him and thing up until this day, brother.
Oh, okay, your stepfather.
Yeah.
You never like your stepfather?
No, not really.
Oh, you never like him at all and whatever and thing, so you just drop piece of pork in his mouth and thing and whatever and make it.
Zine.
Well, yeah, people are listening to you and probably I say, but you know, at the brighter side, you have a whole heap of other people eat pork and don't even make people know so them eat pork. And in fact, you have people who eat pork and you have people who eat porky. And them don't make nobody know so them eat either. Neither pork or porky. Right?
Well,
so
Me's a man consume pork, but we not got the pork still, my brother.
Oh, you eat pork, but you don't eat porky?
No, I see it.
Okay.
No.
You never eat porky yet?
No, we'll never, my G.
And you will never eat porky at all?
No.
Okay. You ever there with that woman who asked if you eat porky?
Yeah.
And what you say to her?
I'm telling her, I'm not play that game there with her and thing.
Okay. You ever have a woman who take time try to sneak it up on you and try, try to guide you to it and thing or whatever?
No.
You never have that and thing. And you would never do it at all, right?
No.
Why you think it nasty?
I'm not saying nasty still, but I'm not saying nasty, but I'm not too believe in that, you know?
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
The woman who did try get you to do it, was her name Mariska?
No.
Okay.
You're not using a brother.
No, me just ask because it just sound like something Mariska would do, try to screech it up.
Who name so?
I want TamFam and she live in Philadelphia and thing, but she's sneaking, bad girl, but she's sneaking and thing, Mariska and thing and whatever and thing. But she just look like somebody, some of them women who try to screech them thing they pan you and get you to do it and whatever. Because enough man swear say them not do it, them would have never do it, but enough woman get man for do it, You know that?
True. Yeah, man.
Enough woman get man for do it, when them done do it and thing and whatever, them start, I wonder what she get me for doing. Yeah, hey, you did have one brother talk about I owe the woman owe him on time, And one time him brethren them ask him, why you gonna say that? Him no want talk. And at the end, him end up tell one of them long after, say, the reason why him think the woman did obey him on time or whatever, I chose one night him do that something there with her. So he must say, she obey him on time or whatever. So she screech it up on him or whatever, you know, because some woman bad pan him something there, you know.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Raga. What on this? More ask question, Zine. The time I talk about the youth, what name? When name Kingsley?
Who?
No man, the youth now studio with you right now. What him name?
Who, Prezi?
Yeah, Prezi.
Yeah, in the studio, yeah. What about Prezi? Yeah.
No. The time when they say about how much, the time they get the stitches and thing.
Yeah.
Over some of the woman and thing. Are you thinking of that, brother?
About some of the woman?
Yeah. Seriously. It is something like you must try see some of the woman or something like that. And the man catch him and thing.
No, that was RJ. That was RJ. No, DJ Rice son, that RJ. Yeah.
RJ that?
Yeah, that was RJ, yeah.
Oh.
Yeah, him did that thief. So him did that sort out to a man, woman and thing, and when the man come, him jump the fence. When he jump the fence, he nearly broke him foot and he didn't cast and whatever, yeah. RJ, dangerous boy that. You have to be careful when you can't too left your woman around them youth there, you know, because them youth they cool certain way. You understand? Them youth they full of lyrics and thing and boy they hot boy in New York and all these things. You understand? Yeah. And nearly broke him foot. Him did a walk on crutches and they bought the place, you know? Yeah.
But Raga, August for Chris Cross and thing, him good though.
Yeah, man, Chris Cross, good man. Chris Cross live up in the Boston area there and tour all the while and thing and you know, I do him thing, man, and whatever, you know?
No, me not lie, no. If you having the program sometime with your man, because it's a youth I really respect and thing, you know.
All right. Yeah, man. We're line up, so I just throw him there up at Boston and me there in New York and me busy all the while and him a tour all the while. But we will line up something, man, because Ragashanti show come up soon and things, so we make you know about that, here.
Yeah, man, up and running. Big up me G.
Mad thing, all right, cool.
Up,
all right. Prezi, me can't tell him to mix up now, what? Prezi, me can't tell him to mix up. Prezi say call. Like that mix up, you have to go tell him what next. Hello.
Yeah, hey, Raga.
Yo.
Yeah, man, I done the man, you know. Raga, never speak with
Dan the Shandy, I call back. I call back.
Yeah, man, never speak with her, but tomorrow man, they be saying, I couldn't talk.
You couldn't talk, you call your woman. Okay, yeah, all right, tell me the secret.
Yeah. I'm about to stuff up a little bit.
Hold on. You said when you did a call before your woman did that with you and your mouth did stuff up?
Stuff up a little bit, yeah, man.
Hold on. As she did that stuff up your mouth?
Yeah, man, look at meatloaf, nobody. Look at meatloaf with spice on it. Yeah, man. I really talk, man. Me another way that.
Okay then. All right, but go on talk.
I'm telling you, sir, I'm the best, I'm the professional. I'm man, my vibration I'm talking about it now, eat the fry fridge.
Yeah.
I tell her, say, yo.
Yeah.
And then woman explain to me and tell me why you not do it, you know. I'm say, Lord God, I am a nice woman like you. Hey, Raga, I'm not going to lie to you. I'm not a betrayal or a traitor. But, Raga, when I finish the fry fridge, it's on steam.
No. Hold on. All the bun you eat too, but tell me something. What you do? You tell me say, your brethren are swear say him not eat that something there and thing and whatever and thing and and then when you talk to him, woman know him, woman I tell you why him not do it and thing, but you say she want do it, no.
No. And she not tell me why not do it, you know. She say why not do it? I mean, I tell her I love it. So she look at me certain way, I look at her certain way, she said. And she look at her tongue, I look at my tongue too. So after a while, we get friendly.
Yes, after a while, when you get friendly, and you just start work. Yeah, and then when you get friendly, and then what?
Yeah, and then, you know, after a while, I feel like we just hug her one time, and everything was up, my tongue stiff.
No, careful, not going on a detail. But you just, when you say you end up a eat a fry, you end up a eat a fry fish and it turn in a steam fish. So hold on, you tell me say,
and then,
behind your brethren back, you eat your brethren woman fry fish and turn it in a steam fish, no?
No, me never eat behind him back to them. Me never eat behind him back to them.
No, me no mean behind him back. Me literally, man. Me mean say you screechy and eat your brethren, woman, turn our fry fish in a steam fish and wallop sat down, don't you?
Okay. So she don't cross my face. I'm just move like.
No. You know you can't. You can't go in on them details.
Sorry.
No, you can't go in on them details. Are you crazy? You cannot tell me about you sit down cross with your face. You cannot do that. You cannot do that on the radio. Okay. All right. No. What?
Steam road. Sorry.
No. All right. Yeah. Leave it. Anyway, yeah, okay, all right, the Lord Jesus. And I know your brethren, I know your brethren, I know, say, you eat with him steam fish, no?
If lucky I beer Guinness, me buy him. Every day I see him beer Guinness. And I say,
you're buying beer Guinness, don't
beer Guinness, man.
All right, come on for the phone. Come on for the people. All right, big up yourself. Be yourself. Yo, okay. People in the hear that one damn thing that you know your man say him man say him done, him man nah do certain things and whatever, and the man go chat to him man woman, you know. And the man woman tell him say she want that something there, you know, but him nah do it. And him just say and him just kinda working, him and eventually him deal with it. Them have one saying at Jamaica, you know. Prezi, you ever hear that Jamaican saying, what put on too long, serve too much? Listen to me now, man. Make a take a break. What put on too long, serve too master. You can't stay there and hear me tear. Somebody else going to come and wall up, sit down. I can't bother with them people here, you know. Yo, we're going to break so forward.
Yo, this is Shaggy. Yeah. Out to many one music, baby. You're listening to IrieJam Radio. Yeah, number one. Yeah.
If the feeling is good, I want to hear you say Irie.
Ragashanti live. Ragashanti live. Ragashanti live.
Yo, back in the juggling. I think, all right, let me see, I can't tell in the mixer. Huh? I can't go ahead now. Okay, all right, President, I can't go ahead. Finally. Yo, so that thing happened today, Queens. Well, yeah. Today are Queens. So this woman here, you know, she's a side woman, but she knows that she's a side woman. I one of them things where she accept it and things. So for her thing, she know where she get out of it and them something that why she's a side woman and whatever. The man married and have him wife long time and she meet the man and thing and whatever. And the man is good to her. The man is good to her in so many ways, and them just have this chemistry where, I know somehow don't have that kind of difficulty, you understand, but, you know, you have people who are born a man, are born a woman, are side woman, and they're genuinely in love. And I know this sounds somewhat oxymoronic, contradictory, but there are people who they're on the side and them loyal, them not do nothing with anybody else or whatever, and them just call the person who they with somebody else or live with somebody, must call a person that them man or them woman, and they have to like that. So she and the man good like that and whatever. So apparently today she fi meet him at a certain popular restaurant in Queens. Now the restaurant happened for there beside one Dunkin' Donuts. And first, you know which restaurant, right? Don't say another word. So, me go say, boom, and me jump at the Dunkin' Donuts and thing, and because the Dunkin' Donuts are on the way to where me I come from, it there, from one corner where, so I stop there and me get my little ice latte and thing, and she said, boy, Raga, you don't even know how I go down here so a while ago in there. Me I say, for real, I want and she said, let me give you it, man, it fresh, it just happened. And me I say, lie, send it down for me. So she said she did for meet the man at the popular restaurant. But the time when she did for meet him, so something to do with that car, and the time when she did for meet him, the person who a Japar did have to go somewhere, so the person ended up at Japar way earlier than she she was supposed to be there. So, but she did for, she never want, she have somebody who she can go to have a friend. But she never want the person drop her at a friend that place and things. So she want the person drop her at the restaurant and thing. And then the plan was for she go down to our friend place. But she said someone just tell her if you just stand up near to the restaurant door when time she reach. So she stand up there and thing, and she said she dip on her phone. But she said, she stand up near the restaurant entrance. You know, if you come up at the restaurant, you're not going to really see her, you know. But she dead there, you know. If you look, you see her, but you're not going to pay her in the mind. And she just dead there do her thing. And she said, hold on. Let me just block that person. And she said she did it. She said, same time, the man friend come out. And she see this woman walk up. But she said she see that woman here before. She said she see the woman round the man who she there with. But remember, the man who she there with is a married man, you know. But she said she see that woman here before and thing and whatever, and a prayer and whatever. And she said it's like a woman-to-woman thing. She said it's like she knows something about the woman where did that chew her off. But she said it's like a woman-to-woman thing. Because she said the woman move a certain way for chew her off. But because the woman move a certain way for chew her off, she said she as a woman kind of pick up, say that woman move a certain way for chew me off type of thing. So she see her already. So the woman walk come up to the door, and then the man friend walk come out. When the man friend walk come out now, the man friend go say to the woman who walk up, say the woman name Cheryl Bless. The man say, Cheryl Bless. All right, so the married man say him name Prezi, right? And the woman who walk up name Cheryl Bless. Like the man Prezi, no, the married man. So Prezi are the married man. No. Prezi are the married man. And so the married man friend, Prezi friend, come out now. But remember now, you know, the woman who me a talk about who tell me the thing, you know. She are the bonner woman, the side woman for him. And the woman who walk come up to the restaurant now, she is somebody who she see on occasion, and I wonder what going on with that woman there. So the woman walk come up. Prezi friend come out now, the married man friend come out. See Cheryl Bless walk come up and go say, Cheryl Bless, what going on? Why? Any day you left Prezi, you know, me tell Prezi, you know, say any day you stop language, we can't say on radio. Any day you stop so and so with Prezi, you know, me tell him, say, me and you have to go there, you know. Me and you have to go there, you know. And then Cheryl Bless say, that nah happen. I just want so and so to me, so and so, and whatever, this and that. As soon as Cheryl Bless said that, Cheryl Bless look over and see the woman who give me the mix-up, put her the side woman. And she panic. But the man who a Prezi friend now, him a still attack. But Cheryl Bless, you know who the side woman is, you know, for the married man, you know. I remember I said the side woman who tell me what going on. She did see Cheryl Bless and suspicious about her, but Cheryl Bless know her. So Cheryl Bless know her try for signal Prezi friend say, yo, Lego that something there. You know? But Prezi friend don't even go on him there joke around and whatever. So the side woman, she just turn up on this and take in everything. I get confirmation now, right? The married man, who she there with, him and the woman, they are dugu too. Here is where things get interesting. After Prezi friend talk and whatever, this and that, she said to Prezi friend, say, may I go down, so, you know, may I whatever, may I go with so and Ray, and like, she leg at the end, so she now, but I go in at the restaurant. So Prezi friend say, okay, all right, Ray. Prezi friend cut and gone, and she walk and go away. And the side woman see her, watch her walk and go away. You don't know, so she turn around. So she turn around and I come to the side and I walk up and I come back to the side woman. So the side woman who I tell me now so Cheryl Bless turn around now, you know, and I come back to the side woman now, you know. So the side woman says she get boomy. Cause she say, right, I wonder if I come, she come stab me up or do me something or whatever. But she just walk up to her and she said, good evening. And she, she's just, the side woman who I give me the med. She said, she does very carefully and, say, good evening. Say Cheryl Bless said to her, say, me not afraid of nobody, but as bad as things is, I believe in a respect. And you done hear what you for hear already. So it don't even make sense. I go on like I want to hide it or anything or whatever. Cause you hear what you hear. I'm not gonna lie. If you did come to me and ask me if so and something, would I deny it. But you don't hear it already. I'm see you look for me sometime and whatever. And I know say you pick up certain things and you did I wonder. And you just get confirmation. Now, I know say you and Prezi, you're not Prezi wife. I know that. But I want you know say are you Prezi love? Because Prezi tell me say are you him love? I'm not gonna lie, me and Prezi do certain things and whatever. And me not gonna disrespect him wife. And me not gonna disrespect you. But say, and then she go into some things where the side woman do for Prezi. So she start to go through a bag of thing when Prezi did sick and thing at one time when him did there Jamaica and him did flat out and thing. The same side woman there, she did help because she did have a business at Jamaica. She did have a profession, a well-established profession, but she did have a business at Jamaica. And one bag of something, so she and the man come from far. So the man tell her them things, and make sure know, say, yo, you see, she up on the side, but that's my heart there. She said the man tell her. And going at the reasons why, whatever. And she said, I'm not going to lie to you. I'm not afraid of nobody or whatever, this and that. But you see what that man they tell me about you? Him rate you and love you. And he make me know, say, yo, what me and you do is a side thing, but she, who you see on the side, that's my heart there. And me know, and then she referred to the man friend now and say, me know him no know certain things. So him just go fly him out and say certain things. But me no want you me no want jeopardize what go on between you and him. And me no want you go feel no way or whatever. But me just want you know. And me a paraphrase, But she say, like she say, boy, what just happened, me just want to apologize. She'll apologize for it and whatever. And she keep on kind of qualify what she say. If say like, I believe a free thing is just a respect thing, Like me keep my distance and whatever because I know I'm married, but I know say you him thing that because him tell me. Yeah, me and him do so and so, but I you him thing that whatever. And I just want to apologize for what you experience, but I just want you know say, are you him thing that whatever. So she said, okay. And thing whatever. And the other woman was like, all right. And then she said, she tell her, say, well, I know what is what now, and I'm going to talk to him about it, but I appreciate how you talk to me and whatever, and And she said, yeah. She tell her, say, like say we are going to be friends or anything, but I appreciate it. And she said, okay, boom. So when she tell me, the Dunkin' Donut, she said, Raga, strange enough, me not feel no way about it. And I say, why? And she said, no, it's like she say, she feels if she did find out some other way or whatever, jealousy, like she thinks that she that jealous because she really love him. But she said, there is something about when the woman come talk to her and the woman sincere and whatever. And, she said she surprised herself because she never feel no anger. She never feel like to do her something or upset at her or whatever. And she said, I don't feel no way about it. So I say like, so what going to happen between you and him? And she said, I'm going to talk to him about it, but me and him I still going to talk to him and whatever because our thing different. So I said like, you can't see yourself I going to do nothing with anybody else. And she said, no, not because of anything to do with him or whatever. She said, I'm just not like that. It's like, she said, a one man she juggle with. Even if it's somebody else man. Even if it's a married man, she said, a one man she juggle with. So she said, for she go talk to somebody else that, or whatever, she would have to stop talk to him. And she said, no, I don't see myself around that. And then she started to explain and tell me what she have. You know, she have 2 houses, 1 rent out. The one where she live in at all is a 2 family, and she rent a floor, and she have a little investment, and she have money save and whatever. And she said, Raga, I'm good. And she had, you know, I don't know about the party, but she had 2 kids, and she said the 2 kids are all right and thing and whatever. And, you know, them live on them own and whatever. And she said, boy, me and Fim thing, it just go way back. And she said, him did put up with some things too with me. I mean, she never explained what that is though, but she said, him did put up with a whole heap of things with me because the 2 of we just, you know, we did just have the bond there, but, you know, things never smooth and whatever. So him put up with a whole heap of things with me too and whatever. So I just feel, say, our thing right now, this now, I go have no problem with it. I'm glad say, she approached me because I talk to him about it and I don't know what going to happen after I talk to him about it. But I don't have no problem with her. I'm cool with her. So again, it's not, again, you know, it's one more than mix up the way I know, like not super dramatic and thing, but you know, I always say, boy, life is really lived in the grey area, and it's easy for when we're outside or something for just come up with, you know, simplistic conclusions and be judgmental too, you know. So I'm sure there are people listening right now and say, wait, this and that, but as is usually the case, until you're walking in somebody's shoes, you know, you really don't know the nuances of their lives and why them do what them do and things like that. And the truth is, in the movies and in books and whatever, sometimes things, you know, and if you go church service and people kind of explain life in simplistic ways sometimes. This is what you're supposed to do, and don't do this and don't do that and whatever. But the way things work out is very often not the case, and many of us have been through all sorts of ups and downs. And unfortunately, many of us, it's real easy for us to judge people when we observe some complexities in their lives that defy some sort of moral order, and we can put them down without even realizing that, you know, we too had gone through our thing too and whatever. We were at a point to where we did put up with certain things. We were at a point where we accept certain things where people outside never understand and things like that and whatever. Sometimes people conveniently forget those things. What them used to do, or people believe, say, because them do it and them get through it and whatever, them feel them in a self-righteous position now for judge other people and whatever. I don't know the full details of what she and him go through and whatever. And, but we have, you know, we have a brethren. Him didn't marry him wife when she young. And him, big musician and thing, you know. And him at a point now where, like what year him hear say him wife do so with a very famous artist where everybody know. And him tell me, say, you know, say no bother me. Me say no bother you for real. Him say, no, it no bother me. And him say, me know because me pick up Waan. And she did that because she make me know so she and him link and them do something together in a studio or what. But him say him pick up Waan. And him say, you know, so she not disrespect me now or nothing about him hear and confirm it, say she and the artist do so and so. So I say, if she come out and tell you, you're still there with her, him say, me don't know, I might leave or whatever. But I say, you're going to stay with her now. Him say, yeah, I'm going to stay with her. So you want her to tell you, and you know, so the man said, no, you know, I don't want she tell me. So it no bother you. Him said, no. You know, and him say like, anyhow, him here say she out there from man to man. Him say it's a different thing, but him say, Raga, I'm much older than her, and you know, my thing the 100 like it was and whatever, and she a good woman and thing. I mean, I don't know if we are going to work or whatever, but things good right now in a way where if she feels that she have to go out there to go do look at something so and thing, then fine, but if it get too much, then probably I can't manage it. But if she had to look at something out there and she not bring the disease back to me and thing and whatever, I mean, I tell you, very, very popular dancehall artist. She do it with, and thing, and him wife, a look good girl, and thing, but him like 25 years older than, 27 years older than her, I think, yeah, somewhere around there. So. And him say him not fool himself about that, and just, again, you have people who live with certain things. Oh, and he was very clear in saying, you are the only person I would tell that. I'm gonna tell him, say, some I know why, but I just want to hear what is the reason why. Him say, because you're not gonna judge me. And me and him talk about enough things. And right away him say, and even though, and you're the type of person, anytime you go talk about somebody tell you something, you ask people permission for something. Say, me can't give me permission for most of one. And him say, yeah, man. Because we know you're not going to call no name and all him something there and thing or whatever. But him say the reason why him tell me is because him know me not going to judge him. People, life complicated, and you'd have frightened if you know what kind of arrangement people, work with out there. But people know where them get out of it. And then I like say them accept everything about it, but people weigh pros and cons and them weigh different factors and the negatives and the positives and sometimes the positive, you have negatives that they would them acknowledge, but sometimes the positives outweigh the negatives and and people work with it. Because them can't bother with certain things and can't go do certain. So be careful how you judge people, here. Careful how you judge people. And because everybody out there deal with them little thing and whatever. People remember Lego right now one thing and take care of yourself. I'll be back on Monday. All right, blessings and respect. Thank you for hanging out with me tonight. Looking forward to the whole crew Sunday. DJ Roy, boat ride and thing over there in Manhattan and thing. I'm so excited about that. Remember, the yacht leaves at 5 o'clock. Mm-hmm. Yeah. I'm out.
You're now in tune to
The Bridge 99